we will start. Okay. So tell me, how are the things going on from your end? All good? All good from your end? Yes. Internet is good. My voice, you are able to hear? All of you are able to hear my voice? Yes. Great, great. Awesome, awesome. Thanks a lot. Thanks a lot for confirming that. Would be great. Okay. So we will start. Okay, great. So just 1 second. I will turn off my video for just few seconds, and I will start writing everything. Okay. Okay, so let's start the session today. How many of you are excited, by the way, to learn Linux, right? And you should be aware that Linux is the primary basic component, right, in every DevOps opportunity wherever you go. So I will quickly share my screen and I will just show you all the different things that you should be knowing as a DevOps engineer in 2025. Okay. So first of all, let me give my introduction. Okay. Those who don't know me, this is Praveen here. Okay. So myself, Praveen, I have a total of close to 8 years of experience. Okay. Right. I have started my journey with Infosys. Okay. With 3.2 LPA as a package. Okay. So many of you feel that 3 LPA is less. Okay. And I am from a tier 3 college. Okay. Very small college in my hometown. Okay. I'm from a very small college, tier 3 college. And from the college itself, I got placed in Infosys for a package of how much? How much package I got placed? Right. My video is not buffering, right? My video is good. No buffering on my video. Yes. No buffering. Good, good, great. So what was my first package? My first package was 3.2 LPA, right? And I was getting around 22 to 23,000 close to in hand. Correct. Now, after Infosys, almost I have worked in various kinds of projects. I was a Java developer. Okay. I was a DevOps engineer. Okay. I was a DBA. I worked for production database administration tasks. And finally, I was a QA role also. So 1 year or 6 months, they used to change completely me into different kinds of projects. And among all these stacks, right? Because DevOps was very booming at that point of time, right? 2016, 17 is the time where companies started to understand what is DevOps, what is the practices. All the companies started accumulating DevOps. And that's when you got a DevOps era and people started understanding and incubating DevOps tools into their data. Correct. So 2016-17 was the primary time when DevOps started. And in Infosys, I stayed till 2019, so close to 3 years. Then I started my job search. I got placed into 3 companies after that: Cognizant, okay, Capgemini, okay, and then Virtusa. All are service-based companies. Yes. Cognizant, Capgemini, Virtusa. All are service-based. Yes or no? Quickly, guys. If I'm asking something, you should show me that Josh. Yeah, yes, bhai. 3.2 LPA. So what is the next package? We will start the session, but you should know me, right? First. So before that, I'm just telling my story, like how I came into this teaching and all. So from 3.2 LPA, Cognizant offered me around 8.2 LPA. Okay. So I got like how much hike from the 3.2 LPA? I got like close to a very good hike. Okay. So I joined Cognizant. I stayed for 2 months in Cognizant. Okay. I stayed for only 2 months. Only 2 months. And I got a call from Verizon here. Okay. So Verizon, I joined Verizon. after clearing interview, and the HR asked me to put down papers in Cognizant, and she told me, don't tell anyone, don't tell to your manager also you joined Cognizant. You just tell you are searching for job. I told the same thing, and there the package was 10 LPA, right? And when I joined Verizon, free food, free flights. Okay, like I did a relocation, free flight I got, free food I got, free relocation bonus I got stocks in the company, right? So I decided to go for Hyderabad location from Chennai. Okay, from Chennai, I went to Hyderabad. Now, what is my package here? 10 LPA, very good package, very handsome package. I was the top packager at that point of time in 2019. Okay. Now here, what was the role that I have converted from myself? Java, DevOps, DBA, QA. From there, what I have selected myself? I converted my entire resume as what role? DevOps. Even at that point, the Java developers were not getting this much package. Okay, so I converted all the roles as a DevOps, all my experience as DevOps, and then I got 10 LP. It was the highest package among all my friends. Okay, so you should be aware. So once I joined Verizon, what is my role now here? Can you all tell me what is my role? I converted my role as what? I converted my role as what? DevOps. Okay. Now here comes the interesting factors. Because I converted my role as a DevOps engineer, I got beautiful projects, 5G projects, 4G projects, telecommunications projects, deployments, AWS hands-ons, okay, Python, Kubernetes, all the latest stack in Verizon. I was fortunate to work because Verizon was transitioning from 4G, 3G to the 5G domains. So all the deployments have to be revamped, their code structure, everything like migration. So I was actively involved in those kind of projects. And here I got very good name as a DevOps engineer. I received 5 awards here in the company and many good appreciations in this company. And to be honest, I learned about automations, Kubernetes, core cloud, all those things here. So what is my package right now here in the second company? What is my package here? 10 LPA. Okay. I was very happy. Free food. Okay. Free office snacks. Free relocation, 15 days, 5-star hotel accommodation. All those things were amazing. What you need for a tier 3 person, correct? For a tier 3 college student, what you need? It was more than enough, right? It was more than enough. Now, beautiful. By the time I left Verizon, my package was 11 LPA only. I stayed for 2 years, right? So 2 years, I think not even 11 LPA, it was 10 to 11 in between that. Okay. So from 11 LPA, I got how many offers? Any guess? Any guess? I got how many offers from my Verizon to the Walmart transition? Any idea? I got 20 plus offers here. Okay. So what are those companies? I got SAP, I got Informatica, I got Paytm, I got Dun and Bradstreet. I got HCL again. Capgemini, they gave me offer again. Okay. I got Walmart. I got Amazon. Okay. Amazon was cloud support role. So that's why I rejected Amazon. Walmart was software engineering role. Okay. And among all the companies, right, among SAP, Informatica, Paytm, the highest package the company offered was which one? Which one? After Verizon, the JP Morgan, I will tell you, I recently cracked JP Morgan, not at that point of time. Okay. So Walmart was the highest paying company to me. And very interestingly, it gave free phone, free Mac laptop, right? Free food 3 times. Okay. Free 5-star accommodation. I went from Hyderabad to Bangalore. Okay. So you should see the journey actually. From Hyderabad to Bangalore, again, they gave me flights, relocation bonus, 5-star accommodation, 15 days. And here I booked 2 rooms. Okay. One room for myself. And I asked the Walmart team to book one more room for my friends. Okay. So I called every one of my friends. They all came to the Marriott, Bangalore Marriott, and we enjoyed a lot. Okay. That 15 days was amazing. Okay. And then from Walmart, I left Walmart and started my YouTube channel. Okay. And whatever I am now in front of you. Clear, everyone? So this is my journey from the last 3 years. I am into teaching. and I can talk English well, I can talk Telugu well, I can talk Hindi well. So these three languages are my commanding language, and I am very good speaker. I have attended many speaking sessions across. I attended many colleges across, and I strongly believe that whatever the offers I have cracked in my life, those many offers no one else have cracked in the DevOps space. Recently, I have cracked JP Morgan Chase, Adobe, Rubrik, some other good companies also. Okay, right. Okay. Good 10 minutes of speaking about myself. Now let's start our session today, right? Very interesting session. Today you are going to learn about Linux. Very, very important. Please try to understand what is Linux first of all. Now, all of you tell me, how many of you are using Windows laptop and watching the session? Can you all tell me? All of you are using Windows laptop? Yes? Okay, great. So I will teach you in a very simpler way that Windows is equal to Linux. Why? Because tell me one thing, can you create users in Windows laptop? Can you create folders in Windows laptop? Can you create a disk management in the Windows laptop? Can you create patching on the Windows laptop? Can you upgrade the Windows laptop? Can you downgrade? What else you can do? What else you can shut down? You can handle the network, like connect the LAN cable, internet cable, right? You can do a reboot on the system. You can install the softwares. Now you tell me, if I have to start my Linux journey, what is my foundation? Do you agree that, boss? Yes, you are telling correct only. Windows is the foundation for Linux understanding, because we all come from that background only, correct? In college, in school, our parents cannot afford Mac, what is that? Linux laptops or something on the OS side, but we all can afford a basic Windows laptop, which will come around 20 to 30,000. Correct. So you see, whenever you are learning Linux, please write down, guys. Linux is the wonderful concept, and every DevOps structure or every DevOps tools or the cloud deployments or the Kubernetes patterns are all present where? Are all present on Linux. Okay. I worked in Walmart. All our deployments are on Linux only. Beautiful, right? It's very amazing. Now, let's understand what is Linux, by the way, right? Can I say it's a OS? Can I call it a laptop? Can I call it a system? Can I call it a PC? What do you think? What is that? What is a Linux? Is it an operating system? Is it a server? Is it a laptop? Is it a system? Is it a personal computer? What do you believe? OS? Okay, how many of you say it's a OS? Okay. Okay. And one more thing, let me tell you, those who have joined Zoom, let me tell you, you all are fortunate. Okay. Because Zoom has limited slots to accommodate all of you. Okay. And you are fortunate that you are in the Zoom session. Clear, everyone? Makes sense? Right? So tomorrow also, those who have joined today, make sure you are joining tomorrow also. Okay. Very, very important, or else you will miss the sessions and it will not help you later. Make sense, everyone? Okay, beautiful. Now you all are telling that Linux is an operating system. Okay, you all agree with me? You all agree? Do you think that Linux is an operating system or a kernel? Yes. Okay, we can say like a operating system. Now I got a OS. On the OS, I need a laptop. What do you think? Okay, what is Linux, guys? You all tell me. You all are DevOps engineers, right? What is Linux? Is it a OS? Is it a laptop? Whatever you say, I will write it. Is it a system? Is it a PC? What is that? It's a OS. It's a OS distribution. Good. Now, good. This is a OS distribution. And can you all tell me in 2025, the Linux is distributed into what flavors, guys? Have you heard this? Fedora, Ubuntu, CentOS, Kali, right? RHEL. These all are flavors of Linux. You change the OS. This is different OS. This is different OS. This is different OS. This is different OS. Correct? Do you guys agree with me? What is Linux? Linux is a platform which has a operating system in it. Okay. And as we go ahead with our requirement, we take the OS accordingly. And most of the organization uses which OS? Ubuntu and CentOS. Okay. In Walmart, in Amazon, in Google, in Microsoft, or you say like any other company, mostly in 2025, which is the operating system they use? They use Ubuntu. Are you all clear? Yes? Good. Now, in our batch also, in this free DevOps course, we will only go with Ubuntu only. Right? You all are getting me? Only Ubuntu and only CentOS we will concentrate. Okay. So you understood what is Linux. You understood what type of distributions are there. Right? Okay. So are you all writing down notes? Good. You all are writing down notes. Now, in the website, you will also get some additional notes. Okay. Those who are joined this course, those who have got their login credentials, you will get some additional notes also. Okay. So now you understood this. Now tell me one thing, the way that we distributed the laptop here, right? Like the OS, like the Windows has all this chart. So can I say, brother, Linux is equal to Windows, and whatever you can do on Windows, I will create a chart for you. Please take this chart. Very, very beautiful chart for you. These are the important topics. If you grab on terms of Linux, you will be able to understand very deep. So Linux has file management, okay, user management, okay, disk management, network management. And one more thing, my way of teaching is I don't look at slides. I take all the real data and teach you. If you are seeing I never see the slides, I teach the way that I am having the experience. Okay. So what else you have? File management, user management, disk management, network management, OS management, security management, which is very, very much important, right? What else you have? What else you have in a Linux? What else you have? Guys, patching management, you do it. Process management, you do it. Correct? What else you have? Package management, yes. Patching management or package management. Upgrade is under patching. Okay. Upgrade, package, everything is there. What else you do it? Testing and all is like common, right? You all do it. That is comes under files and file management and user management. Your permissions will come under this. What else? Good. Now, I will tell you all that these are very, very important topics. You all are understanding? These are top 10 marks. All the interview questions I will share to you today. You see after the class around 10:30 p.m. the what you say documents will be available to you. Okay, clear everyone? So you should be able to see all this topics interview question will be available to you. Okay, in the website, those who have joined on the Zoom. Okay, right. Sixth one, I will repeat again: file management, user management, disk management, network, OS, security, patching, and process. Okay, beautiful. Now let's understand life cycle of Linux, right? Without this, we are not sure what is exactly a Linux is. When you talk about life cycle, you need to understand how the Linux has evolved from a very olden time of Linux to current 2025. Let's see one by one the components of Linux. BIOS, right? So I will tell you the stages of Linux. When a system is developed, what are the stages that are integrated? Please write down BIOS, MBR, grub, kernel, processes, system start. How many life cycle Linux has? How many stages when you are designing a system or when you are switching on a system? How many stages the Linux has? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah. So whenever in the interview, if someone asks, what is BIOS? What is MBR in Linux? What is grub in Linux? What is a process in Linux? What is kernel is in Linux? After my way of teaching, you will be amazed to understand all those things. Correct. So shall we start? I will tell you each stage in detail. So I hope you are enjoying the class. Yes. With the way that I put the energy on to transfer to you, you put the same energy transfer back to me. Okay. And one small request to you all. If you know me on LinkedIn, my name is Praveen Singampalli. You check my profile. And today what I need a small help from you all. Okay. You all post about class, whatever the topic you liked, you tag me on LinkedIn. I will reply to your comment. I will connect with you. I will like your post. Okay. So you can take any screenshot. If you like the life cycle of Linux, take the screenshot. If you like this one, take the screenshot. If you like this one, you take the screenshot, or whatever you want, you take it. I want to see everyone creating a post and create LinkedIn. Okay. Create LinkedIn account. You just come here. You see the home section. You come here and you say at Praveen Singampalli and at Hey DevOps, right? You tag myself and my friend, Hey DevOps, both of us, and tell what you liked in the session. You learned something new, you find boring, anything. I want to see today everyone talking and connecting with me. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. So that's what the connection means. We will connect together. Probably we will talk also, right? Good, right? This is my LinkedIn ID. If you don't know, I'll be just sharing to you all. You can keep it handy and you can connect with me also, right? Good. Now, all of you see here, what is BIOS? Any idea? What is BIOS? BIOS is nothing but basic input output of system. Okay. Clear? Basic input output. Now, when you are building a Linux system or when you are developing a Linux platform or when you are trying to switch on the Linux, the first step which Linux does is basic input and output, right? Basic input and output. It sends the signal to keyboard. It sends the signal to screen. It sends the signal to disk. Have you ever heard sound when your laptop is not working, when your Windows laptop is crashed, there will be a beep sound. Have you heard? Have you heard? One beep, two beep. Two beep means monitor gone. One beep means disk issue, right? So same way, that is also kind of a BIOS platform. Okay, BIOS does everything for you. BIOS does every damn thing for you on the initial startup. Now, all of you see here, what is MBR? MBR is nothing but master boot record. Now, one more thing, never by heart anything on the textbook side. Once your age is 24, I don't know how many 24 age people are here. Once you leave the college, the textbook learning should be removed. You should start understanding the practical things. Okay, what is MBR? What is grub? What is BIOS? In textbook, if you are a computer science student, this much story they will give you. No, I just need one line to tell in the interview. That should be your mindset. Okay, to clear any interview, that should be your mindset. And master boot record is nothing but it's a small 512 MB space where your system bootable files are stored. Correct? Your system, when switching on, it should have some bootable files. Boot means what? Loading a file. System should start load. It's a small space inside the Linux disk where all your bootable files are loaded. That's why, what's his name? What's its name? Master boot record. Clear, everyone? Make sense? Yes, beautiful. Now, what is the next one? Once I switched on the system, once I started the BIOS, once the bootable load files I took, right? Then what is grub? Can anyone tell me? Once your system started understanding things, Does it needs the OS to pick up? Yes. Yes. So grub is nothing but grand unified bootloader. Now, the boot record is different. The bootloader is different. The boot record records all the bootable files. The next step is load that bootable files and select the kernel. Okay. Load all the bootable files and select the kernel. Kernel is what? Kernel is the backend OS. Okay. You see kernel -1, 2, 3, 4, kernel -6, 7, 5, 8. Okay. These are actual OS platforms which helps your system to run. Once the kernel gets select, now your system application should be up. Correct? System applications, system processes should be up. Grub is grand unified bootloader. It loads the entire files and helps the kernel to start. Kernel, OS will start. Same like your laptop. You switch on your laptop, everything gets plugged in, everything gets started. Make sense? Okay. Now, what is the next step? Once the grub is done, once the kernel is selected, what is the next step? Start the process. Correct? Yes. And one more thing, attendance will be taken. So those who are staying till 9 p.m., all your attendance will be taken, and certificates will also be dependent on your attendance only. Okay. Those who receive the certificates for this free course, your attendance should be mandatory. You start the session, you stay in the end till then. If you drop in between, attendance will not be matched. Okay. So these are live sessions. Okay. No recordings, nothing, only the live sessions. Okay. So that's important, right? So start the process. So do you think that in Linux system, I will have some processes? Yes. Can I say like some network processes? Can I say like some file processes? Can I say like some disk processes? Yes. So do you think when the OS is getting up, these all processes should also come up? Yes. So once these processes are started, you are the person who logs into the system, and security will act on the system. It will verify your credentials and give you access. And the system which is up, you get all the data to access. Correct? Now you tell me, if the processes are not working, if the kernel is not working, if the grub is not working, if the MBR is not working, do you think that your system will turn on? No. How many of you say, yes, boss, you are telling correct? If the process is not working, if the kernel is not loaded, if the bootable files are not loaded, if the BIOS is not working, so do you think that your system will be up? No, brother, never ever your system will be up. Okay, your system will be sleeping. Okay, correct? Right? Good. You understood, right? Now, all of you, please see here. Once you understand the network system of Linux, very, very important. What is the next component you should understand is file management. Okay. Now, once you are inside the system, can anyone tell me, when the Windows laptop you open, what is the first thing you do? You go to the folder or file? How many of you do that? Like when you open a laptop, what is the first thing you do? You go to the folder, you search for your documents, movies, anything in the folder or any file data you see. Correct? Yes. So that is why I am keeping in your brain. Linux is what? Linux is equal to Windows. Are you able to understand my point? Everyone from today, you should always connect your brain to the Windows laptop whenever you are doing the Linux things. Clear, Bhailog? Okay. Now, file management, very, very important. All of you see here, what type of file extensions are you aware? In DevOps, how many types of file extensions are you aware? Any other things? Yeah. JSON. Yeah. BAT file. Yeah. Okay, fine. Okay, I will write whatever your tar. zip, right? gzip, all those things are there. Okay. Now tell me one thing. Are this all coming under code, right? Java, Python, Ruby, Shell, or JSON code, XML code, BAT code, tar, whatever you are doing, except text, you can save anything. But except that, whatever the file you are placing on the Linux, it's a code ultimately. Do you guys agree with me? Yes or no? So from this, what you understood, whenever you are working on a Linux laptop, ultimately coding is also important. Whatever the language it may be, for a DevOps engineer, Python, good. Java, good. Ruby, good. Shell, JSON, XML, anything good. Once you know the coding, what is the next one? You should know the deployment also, how it is deployed. Correct? So that is why whatever student you take, whoever student is my student, I will teach coding also. Either one language, you should be 50% comfortable to write 10 lines when asked in the interview. Only 10 lines. Clear, everyone? How many of you want this notes? You want this notes to be given? See, this is like a scribble. You want me? Like my handwriting, I only don't like. But you want? Okay, no issues. I will try to attach it into the website. You can take it. No issues. Okay, you can refer it. Okay, sure. I will attach it. As per all your request, I will attach it. No issues. So what do you mean by this? Python, Java, Ruby, Shell, JSON, XML, BAT file, tar file. All this are very, very important for your coding. Correct? Yes or no? So what you understood, your coding plus your DevOps will give you job in what time? In 2025. When I was searching job, no coding. Very happy. But now DevOps plus coding only will fetch you job. And I will teach you how to write the code in interview. I will teach you how to write the code in interview. You are getting the difference, right? I will not teach you how to write coding in somewhere. I will teach you how to clear the interview. That's my main target. You got it? Clearing interview, because I am capable of clearing interviews, all different kinds of companies. I know who is asking what type of mentality that interviewers have, what they are looking at. Do you see leadership qualities, eye to eye contact, the way you explain, tell me about yourself. These all things will be very important to you. Correct? So you understood whatever the files are there, these all files with Linux, we will manage. So all of you tell me one thing, whenever you are understanding on the file management, okay? So you saw, right? You are creating a file. So in Linux, there are some commands. And how many of you from our WhatsApp group got the commands file? Did you all got the commands file from the WhatsApp group? Open the commands file now. Open, all of you. That's why I told you, take the printout. Whoever has got the commands file, please open that commands file. I will tell you beautiful commands step by step. That's why I told you all to take the printout. I told you, right, all of you? Those who are not in WhatsApp, if you see in the website, there will be WhatsApp group link, Telegram link. Oh, sorry, WhatsApp group link. It will be like a community. Under the course tab, if you see under the course tab, you will have a WhatsApp group link. Okay. Under the course, there will be free DevOps course. Under the free DevOps course, there will be a WhatsApp group link. Those who have joined in the WhatsApp group, you have that document with you. All of you clear? All of you open that document now. We will go one by one, one by one. Quickly, we will complete that commands also. And I will make that in your brain. I will feed it into your brain. Clear, everyone? Shall we do? Okay, all of you have opened the commands? Yes? Good. So I'll just quickly stop my screen share once. I will open the commands file for you. Those who have not received, no issues. You will find under the WhatsApp group. Okay, you can join later also, no issues. Just 1 second, I'm opening that file for you all. Okay, so that you understand things. How many of you have not received the WhatsApp group link? Guys, I will show you at the end of the class where is the WhatsApp group link. You stay. Okay, you stay in the call. I will show you. Probably at the end of the class, I will give you also. Okay, don't worry. Don't worry, guys. Okay. So all of you see here, beautiful document, one by one, one by one. We will go over all the things. Okay. Clear, everyone? All of you are making sense? And today only because there are more number, like people couldn't join Zoom and all. Full document. Right. That's why some things will be there. But please see here, all of you. Right. I'm going to share the document to you. Okay. Okay, great. So I will be sharing my screen. All of you ready? Please see here one of the beautiful document which no one will see till now. This is curated for everyone who is here. Shall we see one by one commands? File management, disk management, user management, network management, everything in one shot, one by one. Quickly take a note, one by one, one by one. Files and directory management, as I have told you, if you see one by one, what is this? What is this command? And tomorrow we will do hands-on of whatever you are seeing today. Beautiful, right? Tomorrow we will do hands-on of whatever data you are seeing today. Basics to advanced, we will slowly move in Linux. Tomorrow you will have a hands-on class. I will take a Linux machine. I will do some automations for you. I will do some commands for you. I will do some shell scripting automations for you tomorrow. Real-time shell scripting automations, live shell scripting automations we will do. Okay. This file, if anyone wants, along with the community link, you have to stay till the end. Okay. So let's go ahead. Let's see one by one. What is ls? Please write down. Ls is nothing but in a Linux. If you go in a Linux box and you type ls command, it will list all the contents in a directory. Okay. Ls is the basic command. ls-l is list with details. ls-la is list all with all details. Now tell me, how many of you got this question in the interview? What is ls-lrta? Have you got? I got this. They will ask what is A, what is T, what is R. Yes? Anyone got it from the experienced candidates? People ask, they simply ask. Yeah. So I think that's very important. Okay. Right. Right. So you see here, ls is the command, right? And you see ls-la, list all the things in the directory. Practical we will do tomorrow, not today. Today is the theory class. Okay. All of you clear? Today is what class? Today is theory class. Okay. So ls-la is the directory. Okay. What is cd? Change the directory. You want to go from one directory to another directory. You do cd command. These all commands, where are you doing? These all commands, where are you running, guys? On the on which place you are running these commands? On the Linux. Okay. Is my red pen writing? Are you able to hear? Are you able to see whatever I am writing on the red pen? Yes. This red mark you are able to see, right? Good. Beautiful. Right. Thanks for the confirmation, right? So cd is change directory, ls-la directory. ls and cd are the very basic commands that everyone should know. And as we go ahead, you see pwd. What is pwd? Okay, I will show you some things here. Probably all of you see here. This is my Linux machine probably. Okay, what is ls? What is ls, guys? What it did? It did all the things, right? Whatever there in the folder, it printed out the data. ls-la. You see, an order has come in and it has listed all the files. ls-lrta. You see, V, S, M, R, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, like a order. Are you able to understand? What is PWD? Present working directory. In which directory you are working presently? Right? So what is mkdir? Make the directory mkdir, create a new directory. If I say like AWS, okay? So you see ls-lrta, AWS directory has been created. Are you all able to see my screen? Yes. So create a directory. RMDIR. Remove the directory. I don't want AWS directory, right? That's my Terraform code, Terraform project, real-time project. So I will say RMDIR. Remove the directory which I made AWS. Now, if I do ls-lrta, you see that AWS directory is gone. Correct? Now, if you see RM, it's on the files. You do the file commands. Let's say I create a file. Can you all tell how to create a file? What is that command to create a file? We have a command called vim soap. Vim, you say, hey DevOps dot Python file, and you enter, right? When you are creating a Python file, you write some code here. Okay, you write some code. I'm just writing for the sample. Okay, so just see, don't understand anything. I don't want you to understand Python. I'm just writing some sample code so that file is Python. Okay, I will teach you Python later. So import OS. Okay, now all of you tell me, what is this file I have created? ls-lrta. What is this file I have created, guys? Hey DevOps.python file I have created. Now, can you all see when it was created and the time? Yes, correct. Okay, you just remember that and we will do some operations. As of now, do you see the size of the file? Yes. And which user has created the file? Which user has created the file? Guys, I'll stop my screen share. I will reshare once for you all. Now are you seeing my screen? Because I'm getting some complaints that you are not able to see my screen. Are you all able to see my screen? Yes, good, good, good. Now, which user has created on the system, guys? Praveen Singampalli. Okay, and do you see something like staff is associated with it? Praveen Singampalli is a staff of Hey DevOps. Okay, makes sense, right? So copy is to copy the files. Move is to move the files from one place to another. If anyone is not able to see the screen, it's your end issue. Okay, not mine. Now, can you all tell me, what do you mean by touch? Any idea? Touch. Create a empty file in automations, in Linux automations. When you see tomorrow, when we are doing hands-on on the Linux automations, you will be able to see what is touch, what is cat. Now, all of you see here, which file I have created here, guys? ls-lrta. Which file I have created? ls-. Which file I have created? Hey DevOps.py. Okay, when I created today, 6:48 p.m. Okay. Now all of you see here, if I do the cat, right? Cat is nothing but you are reading a file. Okay. What is the cat command? Cat command is nothing but you are reading a file. Okay. To view the file, to read the file. Now slowly we will go on to little bit complex commands. Less command, more command, head command. These all commands are used to view the files, right? From the starting or from the end, right? So less, head, more, tail. Head and tail. Have you seen, like in a coil, in a coin, on a coin, you have head and tail, heads and tails, correct? Yes. So similarly, if you want to read a file from the starting, so you see head minus n. N is the number of lines. In interview, they will ask for a fresher. How do you read the file from the first 5 lines? Okay. How do you read the file from the last 5 lines? They will ask you all these questions. Okay. Very important. They will ask you all these questions. Very, very important. Okay. So you should be able to understand and tell them all these heads, tails, fine. The 15th point, very, very important. I will tell you a small automation which has actually achieved me so many things. To be honest, find is the very powerful command in Linux. Okay. Find is the very, very powerful command in Linux, guys. Very powerful command. Okay. Tail means last lines, head means first lines. Okay. Find is very, very important command. Please write down. All of you are taking down notes? Yes. Okay. Please write down. Please write down. Okay. Okay. On terms of find, very, very important command is PDF will be available in the WhatsApp group. Those who have joined, it's good. Those who have not joined, you can find the link in the website only. Okay. Right. Now, all of you see here, what is the find command doing? Can you please read it in English? Search for files and directories. Now, in Windows, how do you search a file? Any idea? How do you search a file? In Windows, there is a search bar, correct? Good. There is a search bar. In Linux, how do you search a file? How do you search a file? Do you have any search bar on Linux? Have you seen? No. On Linux, you use a command called find. Okay. You want to find a file, you want to find a directory, anything can be done via the find command. Make sense, everyone? All of you are good till here. And see here, find can help you to find any number of things. Okay. Can I tell you one automation scenario? Will you be able to understand that automation scenario? If yes, I will tell you with find, or tomorrow we will do it. No issues. You want me to tell now? I will tell you. If you want me to postpone tomorrow, I can do tomorrow. You want to see now? How many of you want to see now? A little bit small automation with find. So basically, that's a scenario which we do. Now, freshers, good. Are you able to understand things here? If you are having some issues, let me know. I will not tell. I will tell tomorrow. You want to see? Okay, good. So all of you write down a scenario called automation one. Just we will touch base. Okay, we will not do anything, and don't get scared. Okay, very simply, I will explain you like a baby. Okay, right. So automation one, there is a Linux box. Okay, and inside the folder, right, there is one folder in Linux called OPT folder, where there is an application running in the OPT folder called @HeyDevOps.jar. Okay. Now, whenever a user is hitting the website, www scenario, okay, scenario, automation one, scenario one. Whenever a user is hitting www.heydevops.in, the user is coming, the request is coming, the request is hitting the Linux system. Inside the Linux system, the system is going into the OPT folder. From the OPT folder, it's going into the jar. And under the jar, there is something called courses. And under that, there is something called web/page. Okay. So if you are able to understand, the user called www.heydevops.in/courses. Yes or no? Are you guys understanding? When a user sends a request, the Linux system takes that request, and the Linux system is intelligent in knowing like where to send that request. Basically, there is one more server, Apache HTTPD server, which acts as a router in the Linux, and that sends the request to OPT folder. And under that, there is a jar. There is a jar running. And that is our website jar. Whenever you are hitting www.heydevops.in/courses, are you seeing? Whenever you are logging into the website, any course, you will be directed to courses.heydevops. If you have seen, right? So that's a router doing the backend work. Now, if you have understood this scenario, I will tell you one more crazy thing. Okay, you understood this one. Now, this application is generating logs, right? Every 1 second, it's generating 1 GB of log. Clear? From the OPT folder, there is an application. The users are continuously using the application. You all are using the application, correct? You all are using the application, correct? So for every 1 second, 1 GB log file is getting generated in the name of hey DevOps.log. Are you all clear? Yes. So there is an application running, and that application is generating the hey DevOps.log file. Clear? Good till now? Now tell me, this is the application and same. Okay, tell me, in your phone, you are using Android or Apple phone. Let's say majority of the student are using Android phone. When you are installing an application, do you see that application is having a logs which you clear via RAM, which you run some Android booster, something like that, and you clear that cache and logs, all those things? You do it, right? Correct. So same way you think our application is there, and in that there are some logs. What do you mean by logs is nothing but all the information, whatever the user is doing on the website, all you have a unique ID, correct? Murthy has one Murthy has one student ID. Manikanta has one student ID. Rose Kumar has one student ID. Khalil has one student ID. Let's say you logged into the website. What Khalil is doing, everything is logged. What Naresh is doing, everything is logged. And now you tell me for 1 second, 1 GB means for 60 seconds, how many GB? How much? 60 GB. Now, my laptop, which was having a total of 600 GB, how many seconds it can suffice? How many seconds it can suffice the logs? 600 seconds? Yes. So now you tell me almost 10 minutes this system can support. So my task is, okay, I'm going into deep, guys. Okay. So see, I'm going into little bit deep. If you want me to do that, I will do it. If you want me to stop till logs, I will stop till logs and go with the automation. If you want me to go, we have put the logs in the system, right? Now from that logs, what I will do, I will tell you. That's the SRE work basically. Okay, right. Okay, so let me tell you, I will make it little bit small here. Okay, so now that logs are coming into this stream log file, right? Now I have reached out to one of my SRE teammate. Okay. What my requirement is, hey bro, hey SRE team, I am getting 1 GB of log 1 second in my system. What you do, I don't know. For every 9 minutes, I will delete the log. Are you getting, guys? For every ninth minute, I will delete the log from my system so that my system is safe. I don't know what you will do, but you come up with a plan where you read these logs before the ninth minute and you send to some portal and save it in your portal. Okay, what is this called? Site reliability. Or there is a one more term in our DevOps called monitoring. Are you all clear? I want to monitor that logs. Which user? Tanoj has joined my website. Khalil has joined. Abhinav has joined. Yogesh has joined. Manjuna has joined. I want to see who is doing what. And this SRE team will give me a beautiful dashboard. Correct? Yes. Now, here, the automation one is create a code to clear the logs. How many of you can write this automation for me? Create a code to clear a logs. You can write it in Python. You can write it in Java. You can write it in any coding language. How many of you can do it? If you don't know, no issues. I will show you. Yeah, you can do it. Okay. Now, the amazing thing is whatever the commands we use, whatever the commands you see till now, you saw till now, I will use those only and do the automation for you. Clear? Shall we do it? Shall we see like how the, like all these commands, right? It's very important for you to know. That's why I'm giving this file for you. Very good commands, very huge commands. You have networking, disk management, very good commands are there. So we will see now. I will do it a shell code here. Okay. Okay, we are having a scenario of clearing the logs. First, what I will do, find dot hyphen name star dot log. Okay. I will use some more commands, copy that data. Okay. And hyphen exec rm hyphen rf. Okay. Now all of you tell me what I did here. Did I combined different commands together? Yes or no? Yes. So what I'm doing, I am finding whatever the log files are there under OPT folder and I am removing them. Yes. Yes. All of you clear? Find first the log file, copy that log file somewhere and remove that. Okay. Yes. I will give you Basha. Thanks a lot. I will give you the exact command. This one. Yeah, you can zip them also. We have not touched zip, right? I have not told you. Whatever the 15 commands we have seen, with that only I have written. Now, once you have removed, all good, you come out of the automation. And there are some more things also. Tomorrow you will see on top of this also, we will do much more things. Make sense, everyone? Yeah? Clear? Okay. Now, are you all writing the notes? See, again, it's very difficult. But tell me, right, a small snap from our class. We will record a video for remembering. Till now we have seen it's only like hardly 45 minutes of class. But what have you seen? Amazing. How is the class feeling? Good. Till now, are you learning something, understanding something? Awesome. What about others? Quickly, guys, on the chat. I need everyone to be like very energetic like me. Good. Awesome. Great. Awesome. Awesome. Nice. Okay. Great. Right. So you are understanding some things, right? So now let's see other commands also, right? So one by one, we will see. And tomorrow we will combine all the commands and we will create automation. Clear? Recordings will not be given, guys. You have to be in the class for understanding things. Great going till now. All good. Awesome. Good. Beautiful. Now we will go to the next set of commands, file permissions and ownership. Okay. For tomorrow hands-on, don't install anything. I will tell you what to install, where to install, then you can install. Okay. Tomorrow also join the class on time. Okay. Very important. If you are not joining, others will take your place. Okay. Those who are watching me outside, right? Or anyone can take the place. Clear, everyone? Good. This document will be shared on the WhatsApp group link. Those who have not joined the WhatsApp group links till now, if you are already in the WhatsApp group, no issues to join. If you are not there in any WhatsApp group, please join. Okay. Right. Good. Now, all of you see here, file I have created. Correct. So please see here, this log file, please see here. Okay. So all of you tell me, we have created a file. Correct. What is the file? Hey DevOps.log. Or if you see my screen, we have created hey DevOps.py. Correct? Guys, correct na? But you see here, all of you see here, there is already a user and already a person attached to it. Correct? A person, it's a user. This is the file size. This is when it was created, date, time, and the permission. Are you all seeing? Yes. Now, if you clearly notice, there is something like all of you are seeing this file which I have created. Yes. Now, in Linux, everything is managed by permissions. Are you able to understand? Everything in Linux is managed by permissions. So if you see in Linux, total of 3 types of people are present. Okay. How many types of people are present in Linux? How many types of people are present? 3. Okay. Who is the first user? The main user who is in the system. The other one is group of users. The other one is others. User, group, others. So if you see, what is the permission the user has, guys? He has a read write. A group of users have read and the other people also have a read. Make sense, everyone? Yes? Okay, now you tell me, what does this dash means? The first dash, what does this mean? What does that mean? Correct. The first dash denotes that it is a file. Correct? It's a file, right? It's a file. So it's a file. Now, can you see here? Somewhere you will see a D. There is no dash here. So whenever you see a D, it denotes a directory. Make sense, everyone? Clear? Good? Yes? Beautiful. Now all of you tell me, if I want to give the full permission to all the 3 users, I want to give full permission. So what will be that? RWX, RWX, RWX. Correct? And that command is nothing but, you see here, there is something called chmod command, chown command, chgroup command, and one more thing, umask. I will tell about this. Just make a star mark. But chmod, modify the file permissions. chown, change the file ownership. From Praveen, I want to transfer to someone else. I can do it. Change group, change we can do. And umask is a 10 marks question in interview. Okay, what is umask? What is umask? Any idea what is umask? Have you ever heard what is umask? Yes, you heard. Good, good, great. Now all of you tell me, I will create one more file just for fun. Okay, touch. Now all of you see, in these 2 files which I have created just now in front of you, what is the similarity? What is that similarity? What is that one similarity which you are seeing? Permission? Created. Yes, you all are seeing the permission. So permissions you are telling. Okay. So now the umask is nothing but whenever you want on a Linux system, the security related things. Okay. On a Linux system, umask is nothing but to give default permission to users groups for files. Make sense, everyone? What is a UMask? UMask is nothing but it will give the default permission, anything you create. Okay, so you see, set default permissions for new files. Example, if UMask is set for 022, what is that 022? I will tell you. Now, all of you write down, whenever you are seeing something like R, W, X, R is equivalent to 4 number, 2 number, and 1 number. So 4 plus 2 plus 1, total 7. So you can also give chmod 777 hey DevOps.py to give the full permission. I will show you hands-on. Just see here. Okay, now you see what is the permission of hey DevOps.py? RW, right? What I will do, chmod 777 hey DevOps.py. Okay, now if you are able to see, what is the permissions have been changed? If you are able to see, everything got changed to RWX, RWX, RWX. Clear, everyone? Yes? Clear, all of you? Good, good. Now you understood about UMask, okay? Default permission or not. Now you see process management. Now all of you see here, can you guess on my Linux laptop, how many processes will be running in general? Good teaching? Okay, thank you. So can you tell me, this is my Linux laptop. In general, how many processes will be running? Any idea? 2? 7? Okay, 1,000. Nikunj is telling 1,000. 8, more than 30. So many processes, foreground and background. DF 50,000. 100. Okay, we will see. What is the command to check the process? PS. Okay, I'll just type as PS. How many processes are there? Like some random processes are running. Yes, and the process has one ID associated with it, the time and the command for which the processes are running. Okay, so total we have 4 processes. Now how many processes are there? Total processes, if you see, so many. Okay, so let's see the count. How many processes are there now? Total on my system. Count, you see. 562 processes. So my system is 8 GB RAM, okay, 512 GB memory. For that 8 GB RAM, this all processes are running with that, correct? And please write down this command, wc-l. Whenever you write, it means it's a word count -list. Okay. PS, process. What is EF? Any idea? Any idea what is EF? No? Anyone? Full format? Any idea? End of file, executable file, external file, every process. Any idea? All files. Okay. Executable file. All the executable files which are available in our system, please give me. Okay. Background processes or error files, whatever the error files or executable files or anything. No, not Elasticsearch file. Okay. Any files which are available in the system, you give me the data. Okay. So you saw everything on the real time, which I am running, full format files and all. Now let's see where is your file here, right? Now, what is top command? One of the very important command to manage the processes, live view of the processes, right? So if you see on the top command, if I write it here, guys, I will spend my another 5 minutes on this. Please see, everyone will ask this interview question. What is PID? I have hit it just now top. Okay, top. See, now all of you see here. Are you all seeing on the top load average number of processes? Just see till maybe I will tell you. Just see here till here. Yes. How many total processes are there? 555. How many are running out of that? 4, 3. Okay. How many processes are sleeping? 551. Now you see the count is continuously changing. On the back end, some processes are running, some processes are not running, some are taking more memory, some are taking less memory. Now you tell me, what is EF? With this, have you understood what is EF? What is that? EF. EF is nothing but show me all processes which are sleeping, which are starting, which are running. Yes? Yes, Nirmal. Yes. Okay. Now, once you have understood this, okay, now you see each of my process, how much CPU and memory it is taking. Okay. So see, if you see Zoom, all of you see here, guys, Zoom, how much CPU and memory is taking. Zoom is running on my laptop. You all agree? Yes or no? Quickly, quickly. Come on, come on, come on. Zoom is running. So can I say Zoom is a application on my Linux laptop? You see, Zoom is consuming how much CPU? Almost all it is reaching 100% above. Okay. Now you see the time like it's on available, right? Some ports, some memory utilization, some other things on the system, the parent process ID. See, if you are seeing the state sometimes is sleeping, sometimes is running. If you see this, sleeping, running, sleeping, running. Why is that? Any idea? Any idea why is that happening for Zoom? And if you see CPU also, sometimes it is 90, sometimes it is 100. Sometimes you see this one CPU is continuously fluctuating for my application. Correct? So any idea why sometimes it is sleeping, sometimes it is running? Based on internet, based on network? How many of you say like, Praveen, because you are not writing or not doing anything on the screen, that's why it is sleeping. And Praveen, because you are writing, you are doing something on the screen, it's starting. Anyone think like that? Or it's like I'm talking something, it's taking the data from my voice. Like I'm just okay, I'm just asking, okay, why that is happening. No idea? Okay, now all of you take this as a question. Once you go home, once this session is completed, please see why some processes goes on sleep and comes back running in the Linux laptop. Clear? Will you be able to see all of you? Yes? All of you will be able to see, right? Sure, everyone? Okay, so you will be able to see, right? Okay, now you understood that in the system, total of 559 processes are there. But guys, tell me one thing. Very curiously, I am asking, what is the meaning of here if you are seeing, right? Load average. Are you seeing this term? 2.69, 3.01, and 3.01. Any idea? And if you are seeing the CPU average is also divided into three components. 20.75, 7.2. Sometimes it's fluctuating up and down. Any idea why this is happening? We can see three. Yeah, I'm telling three. Load average and CPU average is divided into three components. Any idea what is that? No? Can I tell? Yeah. So basically, the CPU and the memory and the load average for the Linux system is taken in interval 1, 5, and 15 minutes. Every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, the averages of the load on the system is calculated always. Yes, 1 minute, 5 minutes, and 15 minutes. You got it, everyone? Good. Good explanation till now. On the real time tomorrow, if you open any Linux system, the same things you will see. Zoom.us is running. Similarly, the Hey DevOps app is running on some Kubernetes pod. If you log in into the Kubernetes pod next week, I will show you the same thing. It will run like this only. Load average is nothing but on a system for every 1 minute, every 5 minutes, every 15 minutes, how the system is behaving. Okay, how the system is behaving. If you open more processes, more load. Correct, got it? So let's move to the next things here. I hope you all are writing down notes. And at the end of the class, I will show you how to join the WhatsApp group also. Don't worry. Okay, there are some commands on the process side. HTOP, someone asked for the enhanced process viewer, HTOP, right? Interactive process viewer. Kill the command, kill the process. I don't want to run the Zoom. If I say kill Zoom, it will kill the Zoom and Zoom will be stopped. Okay. I will not do all those things now. Okay. Right. So kill all, process kill, ping. Any idea what is ping doing for you? Network commands. These all are network commands. Ping. Any idea what is this ping doing for you? Ping google.com. What is that it's doing for you? It's hitting some Google server, okay, and getting the data. Yeah, packets in and out. Yeah. What is if config? If I say if config, it will show my system information. Yeah, you see my system information. Don't hack. Any hackers here on my class? Any hackers on my class? No? Yes. Okay. See, this is all my system data. If config, if you see all this. Okay. No hackers, right? Don't hack my system. Okay. Don't hack my system. That's important. Okay. So you all see what is trace route? See, the name itself tells these all are, right? These all are networking commands. So I want to trace Google from which servers it is coming to my system. Are you able to understand? I want to route the trace like a GPS from which server it is bringing the google.com. Let's see when I'm doing the trace route, clear the screen, trace route. You see it. Earlier, you see ping is giving from one IP address, but you see here multiple servers will come in. One stop, two stop, three stop, right? Like a bus stop. One stop, you fetch the data. You go to the second stop, you fetch the data. On the networking, on the core networking, you will have all these things. Okay, NS lookup. You want to check what is the DNS and all. It will do all those things. Now, if you see compressing and archiving. Now, all of you see here, I have a folder. Okay, I will stop this. So this is, what is this folder? Terraform infra on Azure. Correct? What is this folder? Terraform and infra on Azure. Now, if I want to zip this entire folder and send to Khalil or someone in my class, will I be able to do it? Will I be able to do it? Yes, I will be able to do it, right? How I can do it? So basically, I will use the zip command. Same example is also given. If I want to zip please see here, I will show you. This will be my zip name and which file I want to zip it. If you see ls-lrta the zip file is created. Are you all able to see? Everyone is able to see. Everyone in the class. Good. Right. So zip, unzip. What is that unzip? By extract the data. Unzip. Hey DevOps. Oh, sorry. What is that? Archive. Okay. If you see, yes. What is that? Replace. Okay. I will say replace. It has done the replacement. Okay. gzip is the same thing. Now, uname, if you want to know the system information, uname or uptime, these all commands you will see on the automation. Okay, uptime from when the system is up. Okay, let me see. Even I never saw the uptime of the system, but let me see. Okay, 727, almost like 7 days, it is up and running. Okay, right? It is up and running. Free, if you see, if I type free, it will show me, okay, because it's a Mac laptop. Let's see if this works. Okay, it's not taking that command. Okay, let's try for DF. Okay, DF. Okay, all of you see here, how many disks are attached to my system? I mean, probably if you are able to understand, but we will talk about this also. Now, again, disk hackers don't hack my system. Yes. How much size? Now you tell me, my one disk is partitioned into how many components? Any idea? What is the total disk size? Parent disk, child disks. Okay. You see how much is the capacity, used capacity, free capacity, available capacity. Okay. Right. So tomorrow we will see these all things. Okay. Just understand df-h is nothing but listing all the disks which are available in the system. Basically, we want to know the free usage of that disk, free available disks. Okay. Now, user management. If I want to add some user on the Linux system, add user, modify user, change the password of the user, know which user is running the system. Okay. If you see, guys, very, very important. 51 to next commands, all are important. Shall I complete? If you are with me, I will complete. Definitely. Shall I complete, all of you? Good. Anyone wants break? I don't give break usually. I can talk for 5, 6, 8 hours also. You want break? I don't want break. But if you want, let me know. We can go ahead and take that. How many of you want break? Okay. If you are asking break, I will give you 3 minutes break. 3 minutes. Get your water bottle, relax, and in 3 minutes, we will start the session back. Okay. What is the time? 7:33. You come back. Excellent topics from the point number 50. You will be amazed to see. 7:33. Be in the Zoom. If you are dropping from the Zoom, other person will take your place. Okay. Come back at 7:33. Okay. All are back? Yes? Good. 1 second. Let me share my screen. Beautiful. Yes. So let's understand what is data manipulation. Have you ever heard what is data manipulation by any chance? Yes. So you see, whenever you are doing the automation, tomorrow I will show you some automations with this AWK, SCD. Please write down in your notebook, data manipulation as heading, 10 marks question. All the major automations work on this way. AWK, pattern scanning and processing, just one line you write it. SED, modifying files and pattern scanning and processing, sorting the file and unique, printing out or taking out the unique data from the files. Please write down the first four commands. AWK for printing and scanning the data or processing the data. SED for files. I'll just mark like this. SED with files, AWK with patterns. Okay, with pattern. If you have some patterns, let's say I have a version. Okay, version 1.1.1.1. If you want to process this to 1.1.1.2, okay, all these things are done via your automation. Now, let's do a small activity. All of you have phones with you? Yes, all of you have phones, mobile phones. Okay. Yes. How many people? Okay. People in India open the Paytm app. People outside India open the Walmart or any other application you have in your phone. Let's do it. Okay. So I have a Paytm app. I will open in front of you. And once you have done this, all of you see here on the right hand side, do you see at the bottom some version like this? All of you, please see in your phone. If you are able to see, all of you are able to see my version. My app version is 10.64.4. Yes, everyone is able to see the version, right? So what is the date today? What is the date today? Today is August 30th, and you have something called V10.64.0. Now, do you see how these versions are getting incremented after 2 weeks? If you see, there will be a new deployment. Probably who is doing that? Who is doing that? Any idea? On the back end, who is doing that? DevOps engineers, DevOps team, correct? Paytm company, DevOps and SRE team are doing. You got it? So coming classes, you will see the complete CI/CD pipeline, roadmap, processes, data, everything you will be able to see. You got it, everyone? Make sense, everyone? Yes. So these all commands tomorrow we will see. Okay. Now we will go ahead one by one. We will see, right? WC. See, I have already shown you. WC is word count, right? Links, we will discuss renaming some multiple files. BG, run a job in background. Foreground. So this is basically if you want to run some process in the background, run the process in the foreground. So you do all these things. Jobs, list the active jobs. Nice. Have you heard about nice command in Linux? See, this one sheet is enough for you to go in the interview. Got it, everyone? This one sheet is sufficient for you to clear any interview. Nice, re-nice, all those things. Yes? Clear, everyone? Great. So tell me one thing. Till now, you have seen almost like 60 plus commands. How many of you remember those commands? Honestly, tell me in the chat. You have seen 60 plus commands, but how many of you remember the commands, actual commands? 35, 10. Okay. Now, if I am preparing for the interview, I will take the printout of this document. I will pin it under my practice. You are getting right? All of you got it? If I am in your position, once I give this document in the WhatsApp group, the WhatsApp link, once you log in into the website, you will get it. I will show you in a little bit of time. But once you get it, you will have all the data under the document. One document, any Linux interview, any Linux commands, you can clear it. clear, everyone? Do you need the Linux interview questions also? Yes, those who are staying till the end of the class, we will share to you. Okay, so let's see some things. See, the uptime I have shown you. Okay, no hub I have not shown you. Probably we will discuss, but some networking things. Okay, so probably okay. Do you think it's more today to take in your brain, or is it fine if I go for some more commands? What's your take? Fine, you can go ahead. Right? Okay, right. So all of you see here, some networking commands in Linux. Basically, if I hit curl, okay, if I hit curl www.google.com, what it is doing? See, do you see some numbers, some data it has given to me, some HTML file it has given to me? Yes. So what do you think about curl? Curl command in Linux. Curl. Hit the URL, get the data. Okay, whenever you want to hit some endpoint, get the data, you do it. Okay, so see, curl -o is output, hit the endpoint, get the data. Okay, right. So some people are telling, so see, some small important commands are there. I wanted to continue, but let's chat for some time. Okay, now tell me, how many of you like the class? I will share the interview questions at the end of this class, but tell me, how many of you really like the way I teach, the very basics to little bit complex things also we have come. But how many of you have liked today's class, the way I teased, or else like whatever the facts that you got today, right? May it be class document, may it be the capacity I'm handling you, or may it be the way I am teaching. Did you like today's class or not? Honestly, you tell. Yes, 7 by 10. You tell 1 by 10 also. I'm happy, no issues. Give the feedback also, right? And how many of you are going to post on LinkedIn with my screenshot, with your screenshot, what you have learned? How many of you are going to do? Everyone? Everyone, right? So I should see everyone, those who are telling that I will do, right? Today, around 9:30, once the session gets completed, you can do that. Okay. Now let's talk some things. Okay. So now let me tell you, you all liked my way of teaching, right? Right. But in order to crack the DevOps interview, what you need, tell me. The way I am talking to you, you need the leadership qualities. The way I am grabbing your attention, you need that attention from the interviewer. The way I am answering every question, you need that skill also in the interview to tell. You need real-time projects. You need skills basically to crack any DevOps interview. Yes. So for you all, those who are interested for my mentorship, let's say this is a entire group, right? You all joined from different parts of the country. But if you want complete recordings, complete projects, I have something for you only for first 20 people, right? From today's class, only for first 20 people who are going to join here, I will be creating a group. I will be mentoring you all. I will be guiding you all. I will be getting you all the jobs. I will be giving you all the data. Okay. If you are joining today to learn under me, you will get complete DevOps starting from Linux, Git, DevSecOps, Jenkins, integrations, passwords handling in Vault, implementation, role-based access controls, Red Hat Linux system administration, core understanding of networking with CIDR components, Jenkins master slave setup, webhook, Kubernetes custom resource definitions, master ECS unit deployment, Istio Kiali tracing. You will be able to understand how the complete tracing of the website is happening from the user login to the user logout, three-tier application deployment, security issues like DDoS and all, create pipelines using Jenkins shared libraries, Linux networking's IP tables, trace routes on a deeper level, scenario-based troubleshooting documents, Kubernetes, Python. I will teach you what you need to crack. All my interview questions, whatever the companies I have cracked, I have put it in a drive. I will share you all that documents using Apache Kafka, right? Playbooks, Ansible, Python, Boto 3, real-time examples, scenarios, that 15 Docker scenarios, if you by heart and go in the interview, you are able to crack. 10 scenarios, able to crack. 15 scenarios, any scenarios, you will be able to crack. And the good thing is everything is 70% off for the first 20 people. If you just scroll down, it's starting in September, right? And 60 plus hours, all sessions will be live sessions. I will be teaching, no other person will come. You will have extra doubts clearing session. You will have hands-on labs. I will provide you labs. You will have recordings. Yes, because you are opting for a premium batch, you will have recordings. You will have everything downloadable in the website. You will have assignments. I will give you real-time assignments. I will try to incorporate issues in your project and give you solutions in assignments. AI is booming. I will teach you AI. And the most important thing, completion. Now, if you see all the syllabus and all the jobs that our students have got, I will just show you for 1 minute. Please see batch 12 people. These all, if you see. Hi, Praveen, hope you are doing well. I am one of your students from batch 10 on Friday. I got two offers. Okay, he's telling me I got two offers. One is contract to hire. See, when some people comment on or come to me on Instagram or something, I ask a little bit more details, right? So that conversation, if you see in the class, hi Praveen, I got an offer, cloud security. These all things are recent, batch 11 and batch 12, right? So if you see some dates also will be there 1 month ago, right? 3 weeks ago, if you see, right, she got placed in Adobe. I have joined batch 10. Also, thank you for your great work. And if you see this girl, right, Shravya, 1 month ago, these all are freshers, non-IT, IT engineers. Okay. So let me tell you one more thing. Those who are opting for batch 13, okay, you have something, book your seat now. Once you click on your book your seat, probably I will show you, okay, what will happen is basically it will route you to a landing page. Okay. So let's say I book your seat. So all of you see here, dedicated mentorship. If you want one-to-one call, right? First 20 people, anyways, they will get it by default. But if you want, you can take it. And recording, some people say, Praveen, I am doing the job search right now. I want your real-time projects right away. This is the recordings. Now, if anyone don't want this, you will get at 70% off, only 20 seats. Only 20 seats, guys. I will give you the direct link. If anyone wants to book, please book. Today is the offer for you. I have teached you the best what I can do. And once this 20 seats are closed, you will not get this offer again. And batch 13 is the ultimate batch for me because I strongly believe every batch by batch, whatever the offers I crack, let's say JP Morgan Chase, I have cracked recently, I have the offer with me. So you will see some amazing things over here. To validity of the course is for 2 years. Recordings will be available. Community support, job support, everything will be there. So guys, if I click on this link, if you see the seats are rolling out, you will be able to see. No experience, freshers can also join. Non-IT, domain change, anyone can join. Anyone can join. So as you see, seats will be filing up. Non-IT, guys, I will tell you the truth here. Non-IT, database, anyone can join with me. Career gap also, because I will give you documents like roles and responsibilities. I will give you resumes of my resume, Walmart, Verizon, every resume I will give you in batch 13. So once I click here, as the seats get filled, you will be able to see that seats are full. So anyone who is interested, please opt for today. Today is 70% off. No one will give you, if you go outside anywhere to learn, right? If you go anywhere, people will charge you minimum 30,000 to 40,000, and you don't know who is teaching you also. Correct? Do you know who will teach you there? Who will teach you? And guys, you don't know what is his capability also. Yes or no? Correct? Yes or no? You don't know what he has achieved in his life. Correct? But you know me, I have told you everything, right? One-to-one mentorship, opt it, guys, opt it. The slots are getting full, right? And as I am showing you, the slots are getting full. You see here, 14 seats left. Guys, very honestly, I'm telling you all, no one will give you this price for sure. Okay. Those who have liked my teaching, those who have understood some things, you can definitely opt for batch 13. And you see, I will show you one email. Okay. Yesterday, only one person got job. I will show you that email. Just 1 second. Probably you will trust me more or you will understand me more. Just 1 second. I will show you that person email to you directly. I will show you what he said, he blessed me actually. I will show you that. Okay, just 1 second. People, register yourself. The slots are getting completed. You have to take a chance at 70% least price. Okay, and you have 10 minutes to complete your process or whatever you are doing, right? Anyone who is interested, they can definitely do it. Definitely you can achieve more things. Okay, definitely you can achieve more things on your way. And I will show you probably one email. Just see now. Just I will show you, just 1 second. Please opt for mentorship, right? Batch timings, it's 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST timings, all are IST timings. 70% of the prime batch is running, and I will definitely help you. Please opt, if anyone is opting for recording sessions, please opt for recording also, because you can have direct access to all those recordings. Okay, clear? Okay, I will show you one email which our student has sent. Okay, just see this email. You will be you will be in shock actually the way he has written the email. Okay, he has sent directly to me. I'll just show you 1 second. Where he has sent that email. 1 second. Huh? Oh, okay. I have not signed in. Okay, let me sign in. Okay, all of you see this email, guys. Okay, I will just share my screen. Please see this email, guys. All of you see this email. Okay, what? See, we conduct different kinds of DevOps community meetup, right? So you see, with all your efforts and my obsessed hard work, by the grace of God, I got myself placed as DevOps engineer. A very big thanks to you. Without any hope, I came to your class with your strategic way of teaching and burning when I think about your class efforts for the meetup in Microsoft Hyderabad. So for every batch, we conduct various kinds of meetups, right? So for Microsoft Hyderabad meetup, so next meetup will also be there. Probably in the September, October, we will roll out. Sincere thanks for highlighting my life and with such affordable fees. Be blessed with all your loved ones. Stay strong. Will post in LinkedIn. Please give a like over there. Okay. So see, people are here to support. All of you have seen, right? Right. So batch 13 seats are getting filled. If you are seeing some seats are getting filled, definitely look out for the opportunity. Grab the opportunity, because at minimum cost, if you go on a weekend, right, you get the cost, you complete your cost, right? Definitely. And I will tell you, once this session is completed, right, it will be closed. Okay, right? And definitely every student of mine, if you see the placement stories or anything, everyone shares this kind of feedback to us, right? Very beautiful feedbacks. People give to us that, Praveen, I got this job. Praveen, I got that job, right? Praveen, how to come to you, right? They all ask so many things, so many questions to me. So very interesting. I feel like very good here. Okay. CTC, he has not told to me. I have to talk with him, right? I have to talk with him. So CTC has not told. CTC, I have to tell. I have to get the details from him. Correct. He just said like he got an opportunity. Yesterday only he sent an email. Okay. Okay. Any questions? By the way, let me tell you, this batch 13, along with the mentorship, one-to-one mentorship, those who are opting, will be very, very benefit for you, right? Will be very helpful for you for your information because nowadays I see like people are running towards getting a job, but they don't know how to get a job, right? I am here to teach you. I am going to help you. Okay. How many years of experience will justify this course? So let me show you some things before I talk about, right? So if you see here, this placement stories, people have placed in, see, June, July, August, batch 13, batch 12. If you are seeing, people have placed in Adobe. People are telling thanks, right? Right? If anyone is opting for batch 13, you will be able to see that you are having complete access to your recordings, your community, your all the things. You see here, I started journey with Hey DevOps batch 12. It was amazing, right? And many people got jobs, right? Many people, Microsoft, batch 9, Microsoft. You can talk with the students on LinkedIn also. People see the way I teach. All of you see here, all of you see here. I will always give here the printouts to take so that student takes the printout, okay, and they get enroll. Correct. So you see, Python also I will teach you. So all of you see here, Python, core Python I will teach you. Okay, if you see the Python basics to advanced, core Python, along with Python projects, if you see here, all these projects will be here. Okay, so once the session is completed, you will not get this offer. So I will tell you, you please enroll yourself, right? And I will definitely help you the best because this is the ultimate batch 13 for all the people, right? So some people are asking doubts. If I purchase the batch 13, recordings are free. Yes, recordings are free. One-to-one mentorship, you can opt, right? One-to-one mentorship at the page checkout, you can definitely opt, right? So that all things AI, I will teach you all AI, right? So that will be amazing part of your AI learnings. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, this has two clouds, multi-cloud included, right? Multi-cloud means you have AWS, you have what? Azure also, right? So when you opt for mentorship, I'm just telling you, whenever you are opting for a mentorship call, it will be two times mentorship call will be given to you for 15 minutes or one time 30 minutes. Okay. I will be guiding you, and the mentorship call usually students take when they are running on the second month, when they are doing the job search, right? And as of now, it's running on 70% off. If you are seeing, right, all these things are running on 70 flat 70% off. You can enroll yourself. Yes, 3 years gap, right? All the people who are able to see all these things, you will be able to understand different kinds of patterns, okay, on this batch 13, right? So you all see here, what are the projects we are covering? Can I show you? Okay. Zaid, no issues, right? We will guide you. Okay, no issues. Yes, you can get the batch 12 recordings also. Those who are opting for batch 13, please see here when you are booking the seat, you can add here. Okay, please see here. There is an add option. If you want the batch 12 recordings, you add here, add. Okay, this is important. Otherwise, you will not get it. So add it, you will get it. Okay, those who are opting, you should be able to see. Okay, any questions you can ask me now. Okay, very simple and very powerful, right? You should be able to understand this. All things will help you. Distance graduation, See, you need a job, right? Ultimately. So the way we teach here, the way I teach here, all these things will help you in understanding lot many things. Okay. So this batch 13 is a job oriented course. Like the projects, all of you see here, these all projects I do hands-on in the class. I teach you. So Terraform, what is this? What is storage account? What is a shell scripting? If you see, what is Azure commands? I will teach you everything on real time. Okay, got it? You all see my screen, right? All of you, right? I will teach you, I will guide you, and I will make you understand. 10 plus years of experience also, I have the guidance capacity, right? And I have seen many people, those who are with 10 plus years of experience and all, right? Yes, you all are getting me, right? So very important when you are looking out for an opportunity, you should be able to see like how the things are working, how the things are going, right? So batch 13 is for a premium batch people, right? So definitely it will help you. Yes, freshers can also register. Yes, all the freshers can also register. Any person, basically, if you are a non-IT, IT, DevOps, non-DevOps, you can register. Okay, right? So please see all the stories in the placements which we have given. Definitely it's going to help you. For example, if you see this student, right, who has got placed, right? See here how he has pasted the sheet, how he has taken the printouts. Okay. Batch 12, batch 13 timings are Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday, weekly 3 classes for 10 hours, every week 10 hours. So 6, 7 hours in weekend and 1 hour in weekday. Okay. So if you are joining batch 13, I will be with you and we will have various kinds of DevOps meetups. Okay. We will give you the free access passes. See, batch 12, batch 13 contents are different. So every batch we try to make sure that you understand. Okay. Right. So that is why we are here to help you on getting a job. Okay. Now, last few seats left with 70% off. I will give you 5 minutes time, right? If you don't have a coding knowledge, you can learn with me. I will teach you coding from scratch. Anyone can join career gap freshers, anyone. Basically, if you see all the projects I will do in the class and then you will do it. Yes, certificate also is there. So probably I will show you some students with certifications who have posted on LinkedIn. Please see some student IDs. Walmart placement, our students have got it. Job guidance, DevOps interview questions. Career gap student got 40% hike. Certificates, Morgan Stanley, Flipkart. Certificate I wanted to show you. 42.5 lakhs, Amazon. Certificate, where is the certificate? Okay, probably not here, but yeah, you will get the certificate. See, Manoj, that's what. Other people are giving the course for 25,000, 30,000. All tools are covered. If I show you in batch 13, all the different tools are covered. You will get Jenkins, Grafana, Python, Azure, Linux, Jira, Maven, Visual Studio, Kiali, Postman, RBACs, Helm charts, MySQL databases. 2 months, 2 months to 3 months, you will be with me. Okay, in this batch 13, you will be with me. And as you are aware, I have cracked like 20, 30 companies. And if you see JP Morgan Chase offer letter also I have shared on LinkedIn, you can check, right? All the observability and SRE tools. Okay, people who are watching me, please opt. This is the final we will roll out, right? How it's possible to learn all tools in less time. So see guys, I will teach you from scratch. Okay. I will make you confident to sit in interview. That guarantee I can give you. 2 months to 3 months is the course duration. Okay. Those who are opting for batch 13, you will be with me for 3 months and you can see all the things right in the website from basics to advanced. How you will get the interview calls, I will tell you. So how to join, some people are asking. You just click on the link I have shared in the Zoom chat. Okay. You just click on the link. It will take you to the course page and you can enroll yourself. Okay. Timings, I will tell you. The timings of the class is 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST, weekends and weekday. Okay. One weekday. Yes, while booking, I didn't selected the mentorship and prime batch recording videos. Is it possible to book again? Yeah, Meghnath, you can book again. We will refund you one. Okay. If you are doing for the two things, we will do from a different number. Okay. If you are opting again, you can send out an email. We will do it. Okay. Right. Learning Linux, we will do in a little bit of time. Right. Definitely we will do it. There is like so much time for us. And definitely I want you all to be there. If you are not able to join on weekends, definitely you have the recordings. I will teach you from scratch. All of you see here, this is the Azure shell scripting, which with Azure CLI. If you see here, I will just type here Azure CLI commands, shell scripting. Okay. This one I will run in front of you in class. And this is basically batch 13 projects I am preparing right now. I just wanted to show you a glimpse. So like Kubernetes containers, right? Storage accounts, we will do. Okay. In the class, we will do it. These are batch 13 projects, little bit different from the batch 12 projects, which I am doing right now so that you will understand how the things are working. Correct? All of you see my screen? All of you have seen? Yes, book the mentorship call and book the other call also, like the recordings also you can do it. It will help you. All of you are able to see, right? So this is like a shell scripting, right? You do the shell scripting bin bash, as I have told you, advanced level of shell scripting on the organization level, how you can hit the Azure, get the data, or how you can hit the Azure and create something. So these all things are there. Okay. So one final call I will make, shell scripting is required. I will do for you. Okay. Right? So one last call for everyone, those who are watching me, right? AI tools, ChatGPT, Gemini AI, and Perplexity will be included in this course, and I will create different models for you to understand. No, Naveen Martha, no, not there. Okay, right? Fresher can get into DevOps easily. You will be able to understand all the things. Definitely, it's going to help you. Okay. Recordings will be provided on the same day because it's a premium batch, right? Those who are joining, recordings will be provided on the same day with assignments, documents, recordings, and projects also, interview questions also. And someone see here, this is my resume. Like for Walmart, probably I will not show you all the important documents are there, but definitely you will get my resumes and all those things. Those who are joining, you will get all those things. Suppose we are not able to attend live. Yes, class recordings will be given same day. 2 years access will be there. No, for batch 13 recordings, you will not need to pay, right? Great. Dildar, you can re-opt again with a different number, okay? Or with the same number, we will do a cross check. You can send an email and we will do a cross check and give you one back, okay? Clear? There will be a proper plan, Monday to Friday plan I will give you, right? You have to prepare accordingly. Everyone, those who are with me, everyone should prepare Monday to Friday. If you are joining my batch, no day I am going to give you rest. Okay. No day I am going to give you rest. Clear, everyone? Yes. Makes sense? If you are joining my batch, I will not give you like other trainers. See, break only I gave you 3 minutes, right? So I will not give you any chance to be like ideal, sitting ideal. Okay. So all of you go ahead. One last final call, right? Free classes, we will continue as it is, no issues. But if you want to get a job, the way I am teaching, definitely it's going to help you, right? Class timings, weekends, morning, Wednesday, evening. Okay. Yes, anyone who is DBA, Oracle, anything we can definitely do. Course completion certificate also I'm going to give you, right? I will show you. Yes, Gayatri, recordings are available. Yes, recordings are available, right? No plans as of now. Okay, no plans as of now. You can just see. Okay, last few seats left. Yes, both are different. DevOps labs. Okay, very good sign actually. You told a very good thing. Where are DevOps labs? How we will practice? So I will show you DevOps labs, which are integrated, and I will show you some interview questions also. All of you see here, when you are clicking on the website, there is a DevOps lab. Okay, so you get a playground here to play. Okay, and other cloud labs are there, which I will show you in the website. Okay, so last few minutes left. Time is now 8:10, right? Time is now 8:10. Those who have joined batch 13, you will receive emails in next 1 week to 10 days. Okay. 1 week mostly because I am preparing projects for you. So once the projects are prepared, we will roll out the classes for the batch 13. Right? Those who are telling UPI is failing or anything is failing from your end, retry once with the non-UPI methods also. Definitely it will help you. Okay. Definitely I am telling you, if you see my LinkedIn, my one offer I will show you. My JP Morgan Chase offer letter I will show you on LinkedIn. Just see. Just see, I will show you my JP Morgan offer letter. So some of people like you told me that, Praveen, you didn't got offer letter. You are just telling lies. So for them, I gave a shocking thing, like I uploaded my this thing only. JP Morgan Chase. You can't see my screen. My screen is in sharing mode only. No? Okay. Now are you able to see? Now all of you are able to see? No? Are you not able to see my JP Morgan offer letter? Like, see, dear Praveen Singampalli, hope you are doing good. Congratulations, you have successfully completed JP Morgan. All these things are there, okay? In JP Morgan, I got a role of assistant vice president, okay, for my experience, right? Okay, so I will call out one last time, okay? I will then continue the class. Tell me how many of you are still willing to enroll, right? If you are coming with me, I'm going to help you the best. Okay. JP Morgan CTC, you want to know? Join batch 13. Okay. Join batch 13. I will tell you. Those are things I'm not allowed to disclose. Okay. Right. But I have told you initial packages, right? From a tier 3 colleges. Yes. Batch 12 recordings, if you add, it means you will get the batch 12 data also. Yes, correct. So that's correct. If anyone is opting for batch 12, you will get batch 12 recordings plus batch 13 live class sessions. Right? Clear? Okay. So guys, I will wait for last 5 minutes, right? Classes per week, 3 classes. Per week, 3 classes. Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday. Right? Saturday, Sunday, Wednesday. All of you, please see one last call we are making. 5 minutes left. If anyone is interested, you can opt. Okay. Those who are watching me, if you want to get anything, timings of the class 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. morning, weekends morning, weekday evening. Yes, I will share to you all. No issues. Okay. First 20 people, I'm still waiting for you. I will tell you all the details. Those who have enrolled also. Yes. Yes, Lokesh. Correct. Right. Okay. Any doubts you have? Any doubts or any questions? All the projects will be different, Sudarshan. Okay. All the projects will be different. Okay. Right. I have questions, but unable to communicate. Sangram, I am able to see. No age matter doesn't reflect. Okay. Let's do this quickly. Okay. Let's do this quickly. I will share my screen. I will keep the count of this numbers in front of you. Okay. I'm giving you 5 minutes time. If anyone is interested to enroll, please enroll. The count is live now on the screen. Okay. 11 seats left. If anyone, market is good. I will show you my LinkedIn profile also. All of you are able to see my screen, right? Yes. Okay. How much amount you paid there, brother? Basha, you are telling that you enrolled for other course somewhere. How much you gave? 12K. Correct. See, when I am teaching for 4,000, very less. One weekend, if you go for movie, dinner, you buy some shopping, completed 4,000. But I am going to tell you that I have cracked many good companies, right? Layoffs is happening. I will help you, right? Vasavi, yes, definitely, guys. One final call. I am just giving these numbers in front of you. 10 seats, 10 seats, guys. And if you are opting for batch 12, you can add it. If you want one-to-one mentorship, you add it and you just do this, right? Add, right? And you will get both the things if you are adding. Okay. All are Zoom sessions, right? Yes, Ravi Chandra, you will get all the things, whatever you have opted. Okay. Right? How many projects in paid course? Starts from scratch, 14 projects. 14 projects you are going to get. Okay. Recordings will be given. See here, all of you. Start from scratch, 80 plus hours of depth learning recordings will be given to you. No, if you want one-to-one mentorship, if you want this, add it, or if you don't want this, don't add it. Okay. Clear? Okay. Batch 13 recordings will be given. Once the live sessions is completed, recordings will be given, right? If you want the batch 12 recordings, you add it because some people, right, they do the job search right from day one. So they need the recordings. That's why the recordings are also given. And some people, what they do is, I want mentorship from Praveen, right? So you get a mentorship also. Or else if you don't need this, you don't need. Okay. Batch 12 recordings for the people who are actually doing the job search, right? In the meantime, they want to see the interview questions, they want to see the documents which are given, they can do it, right? Yes, interactive classes, all are interactive classes. I will only teach, no other person will teach. Make sense, everyone? Freshers, okay, let me tell you, freshers, experienced, non-IT, anyone can join, right? Anyone can join this batch undoubtedly, undoubtedly, right? Yes, Shiva Sai Reddy, I am just responding to you. And people, those who are actually with me, I am responding to you all, right? To everyone, those who are watching me, by the way. Yes, job assistance I am giving you. I forgot to tell you, that's very important, right? Job assistance. You should remind me, Praveen, right? You are not reminding me, then how it's possible for me to tell you? Okay, job, you asked me, right? I will tell you. Job guidance, I will tell you. 1 second. Let me show you some job guidance opportunities. Okay. Okay, all of you see my screen, how the job guidance we are going to offer. Basically, I will only teach. I will tell you. Just see here. Okay. I'll share my screen. Just see the job guidance platform, how we are going to give you. Okay. Okay, all of you see my screen. Correct question someone asked me. You should ask the questions if you get doubt. Correct. So please see here. Once you are joining, how the job guidance we are going to give you is I'm going to help you with your LinkedIn profile optimization, with your resume making, sample resume templates, project roles and responsibilities, professional portfolio creation, and the top companies wherever our students have got placed, we are going to give you the job portals data. You go ahead and apply, and we will give you some resumes, templates, interview preparation, and all those things. Okay, mock interviews I will do. I will give you the technical mock interview also. I'll take your technical mock interview. I will tell you how to salary negotiate, how to application strategy, how to do it, right? All those things, right? So please, if you have any more questions, let me know. I have a doubt whether I can follow or not, as I have 12 years of experience as a VMware admin, but does not have any scripting knowledge. Okay. Those who doesn't have a scripting knowledge, I am going to teach you the scripting in such a way that you get all the data for your interview. I will tell you the step-by-step process. For example, step one, you write this, step two, step three, step four, step five. If you write in this way the code, you will get 10 marks or 5 marks. That is my strategy, right? That is my strategy to learn. You got it? Yeah, Nikila, any questions you have? Because I was teaching, right? So I didn't saw. Nikila, you can ask your questions. Okay. Right. Roshan, yeah. Any questions you have? Yes, Nikila, just wait because we are having so much time now, right? No issues. Yes, if anyone is joining batch 13, you will get the batch 13 recordings by default. Arjun Reddy, me questions I am able to see, brother. Adugu, adugu. Yes, office class timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST. Okay, class timings are 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST on weekends, and on weekday, one day Wednesday, 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. Okay, interview questions and answers also I will share you. That's what we have told, right? Interview questions. See here, interview preparation is there under job guidance, resume profile optimization, LinkedIn profile optimization, jobs, how to get job, everything is there. Okay. I am Supraja. I am asking some questions. Supraja, yes. Only three. Yes. Maheshwara, correct. Okay, let's see the count now. I'll just, okay, I have shown you all these things. You can connect with the people also if you want to connect. Like you can see the placement stories, but the price will be changing. Okay, the price will be changing. Yes, portfolio and GitHub. I have my GitHub account. I can help you. No issues. Yes, portfolio also is included. Okay. Yes, we will cover the entire course syllabus. AI, we will see, you can see, right? One more Walmart placement, 11.3 LPA with Walmart, and she's asking which one to choose, right? Yes, you will get the classes on weekends and weekday. Okay. Sir, I don't have, okay. Uh, Pawan Siraj, okay, please check. Okay, no issues. No, no, Shiva, no. Okay. Raja, I am able to see your response. Okay. It's not automation. I am able to see your response. Okay. BTech percentage is not matter. 70% is good. Okay. 70% is good. See, continuously, Narmada, if you don't have that 3 hours time, you can join for 1 hour, understand the theory part, and remaining project part you can do from video. Correct? Yes, you can do it. Correct? Yeah. So definitely, right? So batch 13 is there for everyone. And I will tell you that I will guide you for job, right? Everyone clear? I will guide you for the job, and all the details will be there in the website. If you see just the batch 13, if you see the website, all the data is there. Okay, all the data, right? 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. doubt sessions will be there. Okay, 2 months, 2 to 3 months we will continue. Okay, Shiva, no batch on that. Okay, Telugu, no batch. Clear, everyone? Good till now? Okay, right. Okay, so let's see one thing here. Okay, still 8 people are there. Uh, okay, all of you see here. I will open the slots for you, right? 8 people are there. If anyone is interested, this will be the final opportunity. I'll be refreshing the screen continuously, guys. Okay. I will give you 5 minutes sharp 8:30. We will switch back to our Linux class. Okay. Sharp 8:30. We will switch back to Linux class, get full support to job guidance, access to community, validity of recordings, live and recording sections, everything. Documents download, projects download, assignments, theory, everything. Okay, I will refresh once again. Shall I refresh? Okay, let's see. Okay, still 8 seats are left. Yeah, 8 people are there. Fourth year student can also join, right? 6 years of experience, study gap is there. See, study gap and all you should cover. Okay. Experience gap, I am helping you. No issues in that. Okay. Clear? Yes. I will refresh continuously and definitely you are going to see some difference from your learnings. Okay. Okay. Any questions? Please let me know. Okay, great. So let's see how many. Okay, 7. 1.5 years of non-IT experience. How we will convert your resume? We will convert your resume like this. Okay, you see here. This is your resume. So let's say you, as of now, it's 1.5 years into non-IT. Okay. What I will do is I will prepare your resume completely as 1.5 years into DevOps. Okay. And you will not tell anyone that you are a non-IT background. Once you clear the interview, once they take or call you for the offer, you will tell that I'm a non-IT guy, but I worked in DevOps. Now, what will happen is for the domain change, they would have already selected you, correct? So now they will be in dilemma whether to go ahead or not. If they go ahead, that's good because you have cleared the interview. Don't non-IT people never tell to anyone that you are non-IT. And domain change people also don't tell. Make sense? Make sense, everyone? Am I making sense? Yes? Correct. Okay. Career gap, we will fill with the batch 13 projects. Okay. Career gap, we will, yes, Maheshwara, if you have done automatically, website will be taking care all the next steps. Okay. Right. If we have 60% in BTech, see, some companies will not give 60% and all, but others will give you. Okay. Okay. Final, we will see now 7 is still there, right? Anyone who wants to opt? Okay. I will ask you straight. We will start the class at 8:30. Anyone who is still interested to enroll? Yes. 2025 pass out, brother. One of the best opportunity. Yes, you are there. Okay. Last 1 minute I am giving you. I want to start the class. I want to complete some more interview questions on Linux. Please enroll if you are there and let us start the class. Okay. 2025 pass out, 2026 pass out. Yes, it will help you. Okay. Any issues if you have purchased the course? Okay. Any issues? please feel free to email. Okay, I have given the email ID also. If you feel that you have not opted something, you want to opt it, right? Anything, right? You can email heydevopshelp@gmail.com. Okay, right. I have already completed the training from KPHP some institute, but no more job opportunities. Okay, but you take once like my guidance, right? You take once with my guidance, you will be able to see at least 60% difference. 100% I'm telling. At least minimum to minimum. 60%. Okay. So let's continue our class. Okay. Right. If you are not joining, that's fine. But remember one thing, I have achieved the much things which you want to achieve right now. Okay. So that's one take I'm going to give you. And definitely I'm going to help you if you are with me. That's for sure. Okay. For sure. That's going to happen. Okay. And it's up to you. I have told many a times to check out all the data and you are going to get mentorship under me, right? That's very important. You are going to get the mentorship under me. No, Nikila, only for today. Okay. Okay, only for today you will see that, or else nothing, no difference you will see. Okay. Right. So let's start back the class. We will wait, like whoever wants to join, they will join it. Right. We will start the class as of now. Okay. So all of you see here, I will share some Linux interview questions for you, which will be again given in the website itself. But as of now, please see whatever you have seen. Okay. Just see this core responsibilities documents once. Just 1 second. I'm looking out for that document. Okay. All of you see here. I will share my screen. I am sharing you some. First, I will share you some networking questions. Okay. All of you see here. Linux networking/admin interview questions. If you have seen, yes, if you are facing any issues, please retry, brother. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. All of you see here. Basic level of network administration. What is the purpose of ifconfig command in Linux, which you have already seen just now? I have hit ifconfig. What is the difference between ifconfig and IP commands, right? How do you configure a static IP address? I'm sharing my screen, guys, right? I'm sharing my screen. All of you are able to see my screen? Yes? Good. So how do you configure a static IP address? Any idea? Any idea? How do you configure a static IP address? Yes, you know. So basically, this is a 10 marks question. Okay, this is a 10 marks question. You should be able to understand. Okay, what are the commonly used network configurations in Linux? What is a DNS, which we have seen, right? What is the purpose of ping command, which we have again seen? If you see what are IP tables, we have not seen. Whatever the intermediate advanced levels or like these things are there, you will definitely see in the bash 13. So you see, discuss tools like htop, vmstat, free, iostat. Have you seen the htop command? You have not seen the vmstat command. You have not seen the iostat command. What is the difference between fork and exec command? If you see advanced level of Linux, how the things are going, what are the things are there, what is a virtual memory, what is swapping, memory paging, allocation, grub. Okay, guys, did we cover this question today? The first thing, yes, the first thing we have done. So what did you understood here, right? Whatever the topics we have covered, it's not gone waste. It's not gone vain. Okay. So you see here, what is the ARP protocol and how do you view the ARP cache in Linux? So if you see file systems and permissions, all of you see here, once we will see, go over this. What are the differences between soft and hard links? Probably in the document you will see. How do permissions translate in numeric form? How do you change file ownership and permissions, right? What happens when you delete a file when running the process? Yes, process management. What is nice? Okay, did you saw here nice commands? Probably I just skipped that, but yeah. See here. Yes, are you able to see? Guys, nice command, what it is doing. Re-nice command, what it is doing, right? And all these things, nohub command, pgrep command. Can I ask you one question? Whatever you have seen in this document, the same is converted as a Linux interview question. Yes or no? Yes or no? Did you understood? Like, how do you check CPU and memory? We have just now seen top command. We have seen ps-ef grep command. I have shown you CPU load average, how the CPU is working, zoom.us application, how it is taking the load. Correct? You have seen all those things? Yes or no? Yes, you have seen, right? So very, very important, right? Whatever the things, what is a zombie process? Any idea? What is a zombie process in Linux? The name zombie, what do you think? Okay, let's understand what is a zombie process now. What is a important interview question for at least 2 marks? Okay, what is a zombie process? So basically, whenever you have seen like ps-ef grep minus high, let's say something we are giving you, right? So let's say I got a process like hey DevOps dot Java. Okay. This process, if I kill this process, kill -9, hey DevOps, let's say it has got completed, but some additional threads will be running on backend for this application. Okay. So application, you are aware, right? If you are installing something in your phone, this app will continuously run on the backend, continuously run on the backend. And how that things are working on the backend is basically with the help of threads. Multiple projects create multiple threads on the backend, which will help the processes to run. And in batch 13, I will tell you Python multi-threading and process concepts in coding. Okay, I will tell you simple steps with which you can do the coding. Trust me, I will give you entire scenario document. Will do the hands-on in class and I will roll out for you some assignments. You will be doing. See, getting a job is very difficult. If you want to settle for less, that's okay. But if you want to grab for more, you have to know advanced concepts like this. You are getting me, right? You have to know advanced processes, advanced theory, advanced concepts like this. Then only it will work you. Okay. So please see here all the data, all the interview questions I will share you. Right? Are you all clear? Now I will show you some roles and responsibilities document. And by the way, I have something for you all. For batch 13, I will share you all the job portal links, right? Yes, India, we will share you the data in website. Mostly in few weeks, you will get the data. Okay. Live sessions, all the live sessions will once roll out once the projects are created. As of now, we are handling new projects for batch 13. So it will take little bit time, but September batch means September only it will get started. Okay, India, right? Name is good. Okay. So those who are joining batch 13, we will roll out the like documents like this. You directly go ahead and look out for job opportunities, like part of the job guidance, right? And if you see the roles and responsibilities documents, Linux administration, what you do, right? These all are like scenario based, right? These all are scenario based, very, very important. Clear, everyone? Yes. So if you see, what can you tell for a Linux admin role? Correct. If you see, all these are roles and responsibilities. Okay, no one will put efforts for you like this. I'm telling you for sure. Okay, may it be Linux, may it be like giving like this interview questions. Who will do? Who will do for you? Like basics you are giving, advanced you are giving, right? Intermediate you are giving, you are doing the coding, you are making them understanding. So these all things will be there in batch 13 for you if you are with me. Okay, for sure. If you want to upgrade and update yourself, definitely one of the chance to enroll. Okay, for sure. Interview answers for free course, no. For batch 13, yes, I will make a walkthrough with interview answers. You will understand. Okay, right? Clear, everyone? Nothing A142. Got it? Right? So all these commands, if you see, telnet, netcat, IP route dig, and not only this, the free course also has documents which you can go through. Okay, definitely it will help you. Definitely, my guarantee. Okay, my guarantee it will help you. ARP, did you saw? The same command question is there. Same command question is there. Okay, clear? Now we will see some more documents for you all. Just 1 second, give me. Like the job portals document I have shown you, right? Okay, some job portals, some additional job portals you will see with me. Okay. Okay, some preparation strategy documents I will show you. Basically, how you can prepare and what is the preparation strategy that we will do it. So all of you see here. All of you see here on the screen, right? This is the batch 13. If anyone wants to still enroll, please enroll yourself. But as of now, see the strategy, what we will follow. For any type of learning, there should be a plan, right? So you see Linux, 20% we will cover. Storage, we will cover. Not able to see screen, guys? Are you able to see my screen? Yes? Yes, right. Naveen, I think issue is from your end. Okay. Okay. So all of you see here, Linux 20%, Jenkins, again, some data points, Maven, SonarQube, checkmarks, Black Duck on the security side, JFrog on the automation side, Ansible, Kubernetes. If you see, these all are like batch 13 data. Okay, batch 13 topics, in-depth topics, if you see. Terraform infra creation, which I'm doing right now for the project wise. Okay. But one thing, right? One thing, tell me, see, good question. Monday to Friday, there is a plan we follow, guys. For all the batch 13, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and again Sunday. What is the plan is Monday, Tuesday, you go over all the assignments, all the projects on the website. Okay. All the theory part recording for the previous day session. Okay. Wednesday and Thursday, only focus on your learnings. Correct. Plus interview questions. Okay. Friday, you only see how the things are working with AI. Okay. AI plus DevOps. And Saturday and Sunday, come back and join the class. So for every way, the learnings should be there. Yes, for every way, the learning should be there. Clear, everyone? Am I making sense to everyone? Without the plan, it's very, very difficult. Very, very difficult. Okay? Make sense? Yes, no, guys? Planning is must. Okay? Planning is really, really must. Okay, now tell me, whatever you have seen today, right? All the things are very important. It's not like basics or anything. Very, very important. Okay. Okay. I am telling like planning is important. Okay. Without planning, very, very difficult. Yes, weekends. Classes will be on weekends and doubt session will be on weekday. Okay. And like this, I have trained many thousands of students in the last 3 years, got jobs, right? All of them maybe IJPs or anything, right? So it's very important, right, to understand. Eren, no, brother, as of now, sorry. Recordings are not there for the free session, okay? Recordings are there for the premium session, which you are maybe opting, right? Right? Okay. So now we will try to talk, right, on the chat, or maybe I will give some access, someone's access, right? We will take Q&A. If anyone wants to talk, you just raise hand and I will give you access. Okay. Right. If you have any queries in today's session or batch 13 session, any questions you have, feel free to talk to me. Right. Uh, Roshan, Ravi, Kishore, go ahead, guys. Yeah. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Guys, you are having unmute access. You have to unmute yourself. Okay. And meanwhile, anyone who is interested for batch 13, please go ahead and check. Right. Okay. Why you guys are not talking? I don't know. Okay. Let's give other people a chance. Okay. Yashwant, Sri Lakshmi, Kishore, Shweta. Go ahead, guys. You have to unmute. Yeah. Go ahead, Yashwant.
Yeah. Hi, Praveen.
Hey, hi, Yashwant. Go ahead. Yeah.
So, like, I had done the payment, but after, like, I can see the success after 1 minute. Again, it's showing failed. But again, I got the mail like the payment has been successful for the course as well.
Okay. I think I have given you an email ID, right?
Yes, yes, I have sent that.
Send both the things from the
Uh,
backend. We will verify. No issues. Whatever is
mm,
there, we will help you in that. Okay.
okay, sure. Yeah,
Okay. Thank
thanks.
you. Yeah. Right. Shweta.
Praveen.
Yeah.
Uh, Usually, can you tell the difference between the free course and paid
Correct.
course?
True. So see, free course you will get on the basics to, let's say, like 30-40% you can clear some interviews, right? For example, if you see this, right? Patching, self scripting, process management, these all things on a deep, if you want to cover, let's say experienced or a fresher, on a deeper level on 2025 pattern, then definitely, and along with that, if you see the projects, right? The projects are lined in such a way like whatever the projects I have worked in Walmart. For example, I'll show you the order. You just see in any organization, the project's order will be same. For example, if you are a DevOps engineer, you start with the CI/CD building. Once the CI/CD is ready, right, you go with the containerizing the application. Once containerization is done, you deploy on the Kubernetes. Once Kubernetes deployment is done, you now think of SRE, right? How the reliability of the product is going to increase. That's why you get the monitoring aspects. Once the monitoring is done, once the Kubernetes deployment is done, you feel like I want to automate the Kubernetes deployments also. So you plan for Argo CD or GitOps, right? Once everything is done, DevOps system is ready. Then where is your work, right? Till here, if you see, we are making the DevOps systems ready for someone to utilize. Now, the team is not having your requirement. Sri Lakshmi has done all the automations, good. Nothing is there. Now, next comes coding. You do the coding in such a way like, okay, people are recognizing you, right? Then comes additional coding in Kubernetes where you design your own, I will call like own architecture of Kubernetes, own components. Then comes your components changing in your deployment pattern. Then comes monitoring. Then comes your cloud. Then comes your Terraform. Then comes again little bit coding. Again coding on the infra side. Again coding on the Ansible side. Again coding. Coding means like integration with your applications. Mostly DevOps is kind of a tools, right? Integrations and all. You will see that. And database definitely we should know because I have worked in a DBA side. I am aware like what databases you should know. So you will get that. And again, Linux side on the advanced level, because I have done the RHCSS certification for 42,000. I am aware what kind of questions are asked in the certificate, and those questions are only there in this batch. The certification questions only I have kept.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. And if the person is in support role and they need to switch it to DevOps engineer, at the time, just it will be easy or
How many
and the
years of
person is
experience you
not
have?
3 years.
It's okay. You have 3 years. So what support you are doing?
Technical support only. Having
For
Linux,
Linux.
Linux
Definitely
admins.
don't tell anyone you are a support role itself. First, you have to change your title of the resume, DevOps/SRE engineer, and you put our projects. Definitely, you will see some difference. I am guaranteeing that.
Yeah, we will be doing that Linux,
Yes.
SQL, and we will be checking all the logs in.
Kubernetes. Yes.
Yeah.
Deployment. Yeah. So basically, whatever you have done in Linux, that's very good for you. But whatever you have not touched on the DevOps and SRE side, we will fulfill that. Okay.
Okay.
Right.
From September, you said you will be starting this, right?
Yes.
Can you tell approx the
See,
dates?
dates once the project is finalized, and there is a DevOps meetup also I am planning. Okay. So I have to include DevOps meetup in one weekend, which will happen in Bangalore this time for batch 13 and batch 12 students. Okay. So
Yeah.
that I have to plan. I have to plan projects and then I can finalize the date. As of now, it will be in the September means any week, like maybe 2 weeks or 3 weeks, any week it will roll out. Once it roll out, you will automatically get all the sessions like Zoom links. Along with that, there will be some add-on videos also, which you have to watch on yourself, right? Live sessions will be there and add-on videos. Along with that, preparation materials and dates will be rolled out. Once the
Yeah,
meetup
got
is planned and once the projects are planned, we will set that date. But you have to parallelly complete the free classes also. Let's say like it's 3.5 hours, right? You can maybe watch till like 2 hours, first 2 hours, right? And because we are continuing with Q&A and all those things. And documents also will be different for the free course and the paid course, all right? So
Yeah,
you
got
have
it.
to
And
continue. And one more thing I wanted to tell you all, this is like a bridge class. For example, Kubernetes, what we are doing is a bridge class. And you will continue with me September, October, November. So ideally, September, October, November, like 3 months you will be with me.
just one final question, sorry.
Yeah, yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
This free classes you will be having weekly ones or daily?
No, no, twice in a week. or we can convert that as a thrice also. But as of now, if you see, the tomorrow's session is also rolled out, and you will see next week, the coming week, Wednesday or Tuesday, there will be few more sessions will also be rolled out. Every week, 2 classes.
Got it. And today only if you will be enrolling, it will come like 4,250. Otherwise, this price
Otherwise,
will be
once slots are full, you will see slots filling in, okay, or price change also.
okay. Any price change difference means how much it will be? Just have to
See,
think. Just
I will wait for the slots to get completed first. Okay, first 20 people are our first priority, those who are coming from these sessions, and then we will decide. There is an internal team to decide what is it.
oh,
So you
thank
will
you so much
see,
for
yeah,
answering
we
all
have
the
taken so many
questions.
questions of yours. I will talk with Kishore, I think. Kishore, yeah,
So
go ahead.
thank you.
Yeah. Kishore, no questions, bro? Okay, those who have not selected one-to-one mentorship, I would suggest you again opt from a different number. And the one number which you have selected the one-to-one, not selected the one-to-one mentorship, you can email us. We will verify and we will issue a refund to you. Okay. Right. So any other questions you have? Kishore is not talking. Anyone else wants to talk or any doubts? Okay, Vineet. Go ahead, guys. You have the access. Ravi Chandra. Go ahead. You have the access to talk.
Hi, Praveen. I just had a question. Like, I was been working as a QA engineer, like test automation engineer in my organization,
Okay.
where I was giving support for the Python automation for the node connection like Jenkins and the shell scripting one. Is
Hmm.
a good opportunity for me to move to the DevOps side?
Yeah, I think definitely it's good. I think the same we were talking just before also, right?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
So I think
yeah.
that's very important and you can definitely do that. No issues in that. Okay. Right. So Chandan, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Yes.
So I have one question. Like I have more than 10-year experience as a developer, and I
Yes.
want to plan to shift like DevOps.
Hmm.
What is your suggestion?
So developer means what in Java? What?
No, I'm Android and iOS developer.
Okay. So see, tell me why you want to come to first DevOps, because Android and iOS developers are also paid good, right?
Yeah, but as per market, first of all, I want to update myself also.
Correct.
And
That's
as
fine.
per market, if I'm looking for change, they are asking like half of the DevOps
Is
things.
it?
Like CI/CD, yeah, correct.
Oh,
CI/CD and other thing is there.
okay, okay,
So
okay, okay.
that's why.
I think then it's one of the best thing which you are going to see, right? I will tell you to be honest,
Yeah, yeah.
iOS developer or development, whatever the deployments happen goes via CI/CD or
Correct.
any product if you say, right? Or
Yes,
goes
yes.
to the Kubernetes. So I think that's why they have made it mandate, and I will help you the best. You take my guarantee on that.
Okay. So what is means is it good to Swift DevOps or
No, don't
is your
completely
suggestion?
shift. I will tell you 50%. You put like a DevOps slash iOS developer.
Correct. Yes. I'm also
That,
planning like same thing. So
that's
half of
important.
the experience I can put as an Android iOS developer, and half of I can put like DevOps developer.
Yes, exactly. That
So
will help you. That will
yeah.
help you.
So is it good to? I already enroll like 13
Ah,
batch. So,
yes.
this is my question actually.
Yes, yes, sure, sure, definitely. That's true also. Okay.
That is from my side,
Sure.
Praveen. Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah.
Okay. Anyone else? I see, guys, you are raising hand, but you are not talking. So it's like we have to give access to everyone, right? Those who are here. So next. Okay, Rizwan Sheikh. Okay, go ahead, brother. You have the unmute access. Go ahead. And meanwhile, those who want to enroll, you have the access still until the session gets finished in the next few minutes. You will be able to enroll. Yeah, Rizwan, go ahead. Yeah.
Yeah, hi Praveen bhai.
Hi. Hi, bolo.
Yeah,
Kya?
so I'm good. Yeah,
Hmm.
so actually I've already enrolled, I've already completed this DevOps course in one of the institute, but still I enrolled in your batch 13. So
Okay.
my question
From
is
where
like,
did you? Okay, tell me like how much they charged. What was your scenario of learnings? You just
yeah,
tell.
so they charged from like 15K. and it was in one of the Hyderabad institute.
Okay. So
So
why you are looking again? Like,
yeah, so that course was also from like online, but due to my busy schedule, I'm unable to continue with it. So right now I'm going with the recording with the recordings. So like it is very difficult to understand like if we are going with the recording one instead of the live session. So
yes,
that's why I have
I
enrolled.
think that's a
And
very good thing which you have done, because even when I was preparing for my DevOps interviews, I was actually not able to go over recordings like AWS and all, which
yeah,
are
but
taken.
somehow I am able to complete that recordings, but still I'm not very much of confident like whether I should go for the interview or not. Because that's why, because
Got
I did not have that much of hands-on experience.
got it, got it, got it. I think, see, that's where people lack. I teach theory, I teach projects. You are getting me, right? So I
Yeah.
think that's what my difference is. And I teach on live. You see 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours also, I will talk in batch 13 or 14, like whatever the time schedule for you, right? So I have that capability to take it, no issues.
Okay,
Okay.
and one more question. Like I have around five plus years of experience in testing. So after completing this course, can I show myself as a 3 to 4 years as a DevOps engineer?
Yes, yes. I think that's what we have, I mean, talked, right? So definitely you can do
Okay, okay,
it.
okay,
Okay.
Praveen. Yeah,
Sure.
thank you.
No issues. Yeah. Okay. Those who are telling, like Sudha, you told, right? Yes, you can do it. So I will just share you the email ID. You can send your details, right? And we will help you. Okay. Right. So good. I think, tell me one thing. You all are here, right, from various parts of the country and various parts of the world, right? So what is your opinion on DevOps job market, right? What is your opinion? Like generally, I'm asking because you are seeing all the things from various parts, right? In India, it's good. As per my learnings and understanding, it's good. But I want to see from you all also. What is your take? Competitive? Don't know? You don't know? I heard from some people that nowadays requirement is less. No, bro, requirement is not less. Many DevOps people in market. Okay. Okay. So I think it's seriously good, right? You all are from various parts of the world. Many of guys are switching to DevOps. May I don't know? Okay. Okay. So I think we are still having some slots. Anyone would like to try? Okay, those who have done, right? If you don't have any questions, if you don't want to stay, you are welcome to drop off. I will continue with the rest of people who have any questions or any like they want to enroll or anything, you can do it. So I'm giving link to you. Naveen, yeah, definitely. I'm going to unmute yourself. Yeah, go ahead, guys. Yeah, go ahead, Naveen.
Hi, bro.
Hi, hi.
So actually, I'm from non-technical background,
Hmm.
and like it's been almost 7 years. So I want to like move to DevOps actually, but I thought it was very difficult in the beginning. So I
Hmm.
tried for some the support roles like the
Okay.
production support engineer, application support engineer. So like, what is your suggestion? Whether I should go for application support first, or directly can I go to DevOps with your guidance? My knowledge is very limited regarding these technical aspects like Linux and SQL. I know just the basics.
Okay, so I would suggest you go ahead with the data what we have, because it will be on the intermediate to advanced level, and anyone like fresher to whatever you are telling, it will be definitely helpful. So I would say go ahead, and very less cost. To be honest, like I put lot more efforts if you see, right, when I'm teaching also in the actual class, right? I put even more efforts for everyone to make them understand. You got it, right?
Yeah, I got it, but like a small dot, like can I catch up the classes? Like when I tried some courses on Udemy, I was not able to catch up with the speed
Udemy
and
is
all.
completely different, right? See, I have taken Stephen Mayer's course, AWS, right? I did for 3 days and left as it is. But here it's not the case. You will get follow-up emails, follow-up reminder emails to join, right? Messages to join. So there is a proper tracking, attendance and everything. Like it's like a proper you and me having this course, right? So I think that's important. There, no one will be there, right?
Like, will it be interactive? Like, can I talk to the fellow members who are also learning along with me?
No, see what happens, right? When you are with in this group, fellow members, if we are giving the time to talk, then I am reducing my time. I want to give more things in 3 hour session or 2.5 hours or whatever the sessions have been planned.
Yeah, like out
You
of the
have
session,
access to talk with
normal
me.
doubt clarification and all after the session.
That's we have, right? That obviously we have. And we have a community group also, which you will get in the batch 13. So no issues.
So thank you. Thank you.
Sure. Thank you. No issues. Right. Okay. So great. Till now, you guys are here. One last question to everyone. All right. Those who are here. Anyone who is willing to enroll still and make the slots full. I am asking because if you see the price change, then you will be thinking like, okay, I missed the yesterday's one, right? Anyone, please tell me in the chat, just yes. Okay, tell me in the chat, yes, and I will, yes. Okay, yes. Okay. Isha, I have told already, right? So probably once the meetup is done and all those things are done, yes. Okay, so I will give you 5 more minutes, right? Let's fill the slots, whoever is here, right? And I have taken most of your queries, those who are here. If anyone is helping me to fill the slots, right, it will be much appreciable. And definitely I'm going to put full efforts on this, right? Anyone who wants to complete this slots, or we are good. I told you already, others you can drop off. Those who are interested for batch 13, you stay. Others, drop off, no issues. Okay, join tomorrow's class, which will be at 6 p.m. again. You have already the link in the website. You will again receive the emails also. So yeah. Anyone who wants to enroll with me, my teachings, my guidance? Yes, no? If you tell yes, I will stay. If you tell no, we will wind up the session. Google Bangalore, not Google Bangalore, Microsoft Bangalore. I have asked them the slot. I'm waiting for that. Yes? So Venkat, the Zoom sessions are designed in such a way, mentor and mentor team can give you the opportunity. Okay? Right. Okay, no one? Oh, okay. Done. Last five people are here. Okay, Maheshwar Rao wants to talk. So Maheshwara. Okay, go ahead, Maheshwara. You have the access, you have to unmute.
Yeah, hi Praveen.
Yes.
Actually, I have few questions.
Hmm.
So I already enrolled this course. Currently, I'm working as Windows and VMware admin, completed support side.
How many
Since
years of experience you have on
I
Windows?
have 12 years of experience, Praveen.
Okay, and
Okay.
how many companies you shifted in this bit between?
I shifted almost 5 companies.
Okay.
So now I'm not sure whether I'm able to catch up this because completely I worked on completely graphical things, right? Like Windows VMware, right?
Hey,
So this is
that's what
completely
I'm saying. Completely fine for an experienced guy because you are much more mature to understand things actually. Correct. That's important, right? So that
No,
will be
let me
obviously.
finish. Actually, few years back, I tried DevOps in some institute. I don't want to be tell the institute name.
No,
Okay,
no.
but actually, I'm not sure whether I am not able to catch up or he completely confused me. I'm not sure. So I tried when he executing some commands in the Linux, so Ansible or something thing. So when the executing command, he's in the institute, it's working fine for him. But I executing the same command in my end, it's not working. So I messed up things and I left the
No, so he didn't give any documents for you to learn like project document, like step 1, step 2, step 3?
No, just he gave in the class he explained and he wants us to try from the at home but
Oh,
that
no, no,
same.
that will not work, right? How that will work? Once he tells in the class, he should give the steps that he has done in a document.
Yeah.
That is like your 30% or 10% only efforts you will keep on Googling the errors or some other things.
Okay. And one more thing, even though I worked on support, but I don't have any experience on AWS and Azure. So, is it required for DevOps to be learn that one also?
Yes, definitely.
Okay. So, will you teach or you want us to learn separately from?
No, separate. See, whatever is needed for the interview, I will teach you.
Okay.
If you find some topics or some things which you think that, okay, I want to learn this, then you are free to do it.
So
Correct?
in the support side, mostly we'll use for Terraform, right?
We are doing that. We will roll out with AWS and Azure also, both the things.
Okay, so it is also will covered, right?
Yes, 100%. Syllabus is there.
Okay. Thanks, Praveen.
Okay, no problem. Yeah, it was great talking. Okay, any other questions? Anyone? Okay, great. So I think we are good. Last 3 seats are left. Okay. And once these are completed, you will see a new price with new change of things. Okay. So definitely, I think whatever we have covered, let me summarize for you all. So let me tell you, all of you see here, for the free course, you will get the Linux document. Okay. And interview questions document also we will attach to you. Recording will not be given. Okay. So you can go over that. And whatever I have written, I will share you. No issues. So 3 documents you will see under the new module today. Tomorrow, join the session at 6 p.m. sharp and we will continue. And those who want to enroll for the premium batch, you are still welcome. Only 3 people, I think we will do this. Phone, Android and iOS apps are there. Android app is still under working and the iOS app is rolled out. You can check the iOS app in the Play Store. Hey DevOps Pro, the name will be there. Okay. Right. So 3 seats are left. We will wind up the session and I will wait for 3 people to come with me in batch 13. Once these 3 slots are done, you will see a new price. Okay. Group details I will share you in the separate meeting for batch 13. Separate meeting will be there. You will get the details there. Okay. Yes, DBS can definitely enroll. You have 3 years DBA experience. I will convert your 3 years into 2 years into DevOps and 1 year into DBA. Right? Gunti Sai Kumar, I cannot do it. I'm not a backend person, right? Backend, there is a team. You do the 2 things. You send the team email. I will take care of it. I will personally remember Gunti Sai Kumar. Okay? Done? I remember your name. Okay? Gunti Sai Kumar. Issue should be solved. Clear? Right. Okay. You do it. You send both the things to us as a screenshot. We will